Ooh, back above 40K. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Why do you love virtually? Discord, Instagram. Okay, cool. If you're scared, go to church. La la la. Andrea can be dumped. Dumpers. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Like music, Beverly. Okay. Hello, guys. Good evening. Welcome back to the crypto. Hey, guys. Hey, Marco. Hello. It's a funeral song. No, it's not. It's not. It's not, guys. Danielle. Hello, Andrew. Virus. Gary. Scotty. Bullfrogging. Hey, Josh. Hey, guys. Below $40,000, guys. Hey, Christy. Uh, Maybe it's a good thing. This is really just business now. It is. If you're scared by Ice Cube, okay. Um, well, it's sitting below $40,000, guys. Again, it's a good thing we weren't streaming when this thing was crashing below 40. I think there might have been some panicking. Um, what's up, John? You love what the crypto wants. You know that's intentional. You think Andrew's very innocent? Nope, absolutely not, guys. Not innocent. It's business. It's business, guys. Working on the chicken sacrifice as we speak, Gary. Okay, sounds good. Business is rubbish. You know what's funny? Look at these crypto bubbles. If you take a look at 15-minute time frames, right? You take a look at these crypto bubbles, you're like, oh wow, crypto's doing really well, right? No, it's just a silly bounce. It's just again. So what that is reflecting this Bitcoin bounce here, right? And that's it. There's not a whole lot there. So we can cover some articles tonight, guys. Market is rubbish. Crypto is rubbish. We honestly were very excited to again an hour before the market closed. Why? Because sure, the market was crashing, but crypto looked okay, right? Crypto looked fine, and then all of a sudden now we're crashing here, crashing here. Where do we hide, guys? Where do we go? It's, well, where do we go now? Are we do we start doing NFTs now, guys? I think so. NFTs. We're scalping NFTs now. We're trading NFTs, guys. My lists are very dry. I don't know. You can buy on what? You can buy on the green market, and yeah, these are. Is anybody so question for you guys in the chat, right? So I know these drops, as much as they look like buying opportunities, which they are for a lot of names, right? A lot of long-term names. They look like buying opportunities. But this drop here for the third time below $40,000 seems different, right? So question for you guys is: are you guys buying the dip? Type in yes if you are. Are you buying the dip? Oh, you know, Toba, Tonda will fire you. Is Tonda that will catch you in the house you're playing PS5? That's what will find you. Um, what did you wrong it? Hey yo. So good evening, guys. Welcome back. Crypto's crypto's doing some funny business. That's what we're doing here. This is not business. You know, this is not business. Um, yes, you're buying the dip. Okay, sounds good. Christy, you're buying the dip as well. You guys realize? You know what? You know what Toba just told me. You know this guy in the chats here. You know what he just told me, guys. You know, he shorted the crypto market. Is what he did. Right? He's like, why would I be waiting for crypto to crash and then recover when why not short it down and buy it back up? Is what he's saying. I mean, it makes a lot of sense, but unbelievable. You're running from the dip. I'm running from the dip. You buy the dip and it keeps dipping. You buy the dipidity of the dip and it keeps dipping. Yeah. Good evening, TGS. Good evening. Little dip, buy, but not much. Okay, sounds good. What's AJ? Good evening. Hello, namaste. Just so you know, no, and we'll agree. This crypto dump is because the hedge funds need to liquidate for AMC. They're liquidating for AMC. Okay, all these AMC excuses. Where do they stop? Is my question. Any type of crashes because of AMC. They're prepping for AMC pump. Okay. I think we need more dip patience. Yeah. Again, this is why you scale in into names you like, right? So dollar cost average, scale in. Try not to rush all in at the same time. You think about panicking is what you are thinking about panicking. How do you think about panicking, TGS? Um, you need a I'm in need of your FOMO. Okay, sounds good. Forget inflation issues and the rate hikes. Oh, tell them, Chris Christo. I'm scared, but nothing. AMC. Okay. Mhm. It's more like by the crash. It's concerning, like it's concerning that we can pull up the daily chart. It's concerning, right? When you create a double bottom, that's confidence, right? Again, so it's confirming to you, right? When you test $40,000 once, bounce for the second time, okay, that's creating confidence, right? It's telling you that, okay, we found a well-defined level that people are buying the dip at, right? So when you keep breaking below that level, and then it becomes something else. So again, let's see if this daily candle, guys, can close above $40,000. As long as we keep doing that, that's fine. Right. So again, we're playing with that $40,000 level here. So once you start closing below, though, then it's becoming an issue, right? Because now you're looking for 37s, you're looking for 35s, you're looking for $30,000, right? So sending the clowns, Andrew, that will scare. Yeah, none of you guys are. So, but tell them, none of you guys are allowed in Canada, please. Mm-mm. You guys, no, is in the red, but still okay. Sounds like Korean. That sounds good. Buy someone's profits, sell your losses, right? Right. This is a good daily chart. www.hell.com. Guys, what's all the panicking for? The crypto bubbles are green, guys. Look at that, right? We have except for Omi here, look at those green bubbles, right? Look at that. In the last 15 minutes here, Dogecoin is pumping. Avax pumping. No, just kidding. These are just again smaller time frames. Find my new found short love. I would be laying on the ground, holding my head. It's nice to play both ways. Like it honestly is. You're banned from Montreal, John. Why? What did you do in Montreal that you're banned? Um, what did you do? What did you do? Someone will comment all the bubbles down. You know what, guys? Let's watch that video again, right? So let's have some laughs before we get into all the madness and all those articles. Let me pull up that video. This is Toba when he was younger. So if you're not sure, uh, let me see. Can I find it? It is la la la. See if I can find that video here, guys. Where is it? If you do la. See which. Let's. When did you start playing both ways? No, that's not me, George. That's Toba in the chat. Right. So let's watch this video one more time before we get into all the seriousness. So imagine this video. So this video now has a new imagine this video is the dad is you, right? And the son is crypto, right? Again, the dad is you, right? Asking for your money back, and the sun is crypto, right? Crypto telling you this is how it works. So let me pause my music here, guys, and let's watch this, right? So add to stream there. You guys ready? If you do not bring back my money tomorrow, I will roast you like a goat. I mean it. Unless you want to enjoy the money alone. Hey. Dada, why? Why, Dada, why? This is business. This is my sweat. I know, but I did business. Shut up. Shut up. This is business. Hey. I invested the money. Stop it. I will kill you. Sorry, sir. Hey, Dada. Why? Business. Oh. You guys think this rubbish? This is you asking for your money back, and crypto tells you this is business. What type of rubbish is this? Um, if I want my money back, want my crypto money back, guys. This is not business. Um, you got Vaseline. I got Vaseline if anyone needs a virus. Um, I don't know what to tell you guys. Famous business. This is business, guys. Um, I want my money back. It's a goose, not a goat. No, it's a goat. If you don't bring back my money, I will roast you like a goat. Crypto. This is business. There you go. Anyways, so we have some articles to cover, guys. Again, so you guys know who Gary Gensler is, right? So SEC's Gary Gensler wants crypto exchange regulation in 2022, right? So warrant on stable coins. So we can take a look at some of these articles tonight and go from there. So we can take a look at that and take a look at the charts and see potentially where we could go to, right? So BTC again, yep, it is, right? So before we come back here, there we go, guys. We're back. We're below $40,000 again. So it's looking it's unable to hold below above this $40,000 level. You know what I'm gonna do actually? I'm gonna pull up the daily chart, and I know it's gonna look messy, just because we've covered this. We have lines where we could. So I just want to quickly zoom out here. You can see there's a level here at $38,000, right? So in between this range here, you take a look at this drop. So push all the way to $43,000, crash to what? To 37.5 ish, right? So potentially a level of support, right? So once you break below that level, you're looking for $35,000. You're looking for $30,000, right? So if you take a look at Bitcoin overall in the last year or so, right, you notice that our most reliable level of support is this $30,000 level, right? So we've held this level quite a bit, 30 here. This is Jan of 2021, right? So held this level really nicely. Hold, right? Back in the summer, $30,000 over and over and over. So again, potentially could be almost reliable level of support, right? So hopefully we can find a way to get close above $40,000 on the daily. If not, well, then these are your next few levels to watch, right? So I'm gonna put it back on the 1 minute time frame here. If you have any questions about any other tickers, guys, any other coins, ask. Right, most likely they're gonna look the same like this, right? So everything is moving the same here now. When you have these, oh wow, there you go, guys. Here we go again. Like we're all crying, we're all crying and saying, you know what, this is not good. Weekly chart is even uglier. All crying again. Toba is celebrating shorting the crypto market. How doesn't do anything else. He needs something to do, Andrew. Right? Dogecoin TGS looks the same, right? So Dogecoin selling off until crypto can find its footing and potentially recover. Look at that thing go, guys. What's still low, anyways? 39.4 something, 39.5 ish. Yeah. How do you do it? How do I do it? How do I do it? Oh yeah. Let me see here. Wow, there you go. Nice. NFTs, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna have to switch. We're gonna have to start streaming about NFTs, guys. Flipping NFTs. Why? Because the stock market is crashing, crypto market is crashing. We're gonna have to take a little break and come back. No, just kidding. A strap on for tonight, virus. Look at that, guys. Mindy bought her first NFT today. First NFT, guys. Uh, very nice. First NFT. La la la. Doesn't Alrighty. Is anyone else buying NFTs? Anyone else? Might need to shut down my Discord here. So a little bit. Let me see what she bought. Let me see here. Ooh, cool. Thank you for your order. La 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 la. Your physical collection. The space scout. Very cool. Nah. For sale. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's a cool NFT. That's cool. Rather buy a Pokemon? Time to accumulate and stake. There you go, Rocker. Right? Accumulate, stake. Yeah. Anyways, so Gary Gensler here. He's the guy that's if you're holding XRP, you're very familiar with who this is. So again, he's calling for crypto regulations in 2022. So let's so SEC chairman, right, Gary Gensler said on Wednesday, hopes this will be the year. The agency regulates cryptocurrency exchanges, right? So again, regulation is not the worst thing. Regulation is better than banning, anyways. It's acceptance, right? So hoping to regulate crypto this year, according to him. So as lawmakers and the crypto industry. Major players debate how the booming asset class should be overseen. Washington's regulatory and agencies have been at the forefront of those discussions, right? A number of proposals are floating around Congress and interesting. Huh. Nah. You shouldn't put your timeline. You shouldn't put timelines on yourself. But I will sure told the nah, y'all finance. So he's talking to you. Okay, sounds good. On the finance call down when asked whether this should be the year that SEC regulates crypto trading platforms, right? So if the trading platforms don't come into the regulated space, this would be another year of the public being vulnerable. I think it's always really interesting when it comes to regulations. Same thing with like the PDT rules. Like, okay, we're putting these rules in place to protect the vulnerable. Right. So again, according to these guys, Gary is saying we're doing this to protect you guys, which is really interesting, right? Gensler, there are real vulnerabilities with cryptocurrency exchanges, right? Calling crypto a highly speculative asset class, and on the scoring that platforms might be registered in a jurisdiction for some light consumer protection, but that it's not about market integrity. Interesting. When asked when the SEC would look to levy regulations on stablecoins this year, Gensler murmured, "I don't want to get ahead of anyone discussion with outside folks or anyone possible investigation. Okay, cool. Let, let's see if we can skip to the bottom of this article, guys, and see if there's actually anything that stands out quite a bit here. SEC wants control is what they're looking for. Yeah, control. Should we all pull our money on some Super Bowl squares? Buy half on the grid. Hmm. Protection from dealing with the hassle of having wealth, right? How considerable of them, right, Scotty? Protection is what they're saying, right? So again, regulations to protect you guys is what he's saying here. So Gensler noted that stablecoins. Let's see here. So platforms are trying to contend that stablecoins are stable and backed just like money market funds, raising important public policy concepts of regulators, right? So again, stablecoins are invented by trading platforms, and legal owners of stablecoins are the trading platforms. And the trading platforms are saying here's a return on a token, so it's hard to unscramble that. He added, okay, cool. Coin analyst said, nah, okay, yeah. So again, the in conclusion, right? Again, Gary hopes to regulate crypto this year, right? Again, his whole reason for regulating crypto is because he's trying to protect the vulnerable. The vulnerable is what he's saying, right? So, which is really interesting. Again, so hoping to regulate crypto in 2022. Hi Beth. Hi Stuart. Hello guys. Hello, hello, hello. The money's to William or you? Okay, sounds good. There you go, guys. Again, that's Gary for you. Crypto below $40,000, guys. If you're just joining, right? Well, not crypto, Bitcoin below $40,000. Everything else is following, right? So there you go. To double yours for William. Where's William, guys? I think William is sleeping. So, what else? What else do we have here in terms of articles? Mm. So this article came out today. It's today the 28th. Yeah, today's the 28th, guys. Robinhood to start rolling out crypto wallets, right? So, Robinhood. What do you guys think? Why is Robinhood looking to roll out wallets now? Why not roll out wallets uh, when crypto is doing well? Again, if you take a look at both sides, hey collective, good to see you. Hey yo. So if you take a look at both sides of the argument, right? On the other side, Robinhood is looking to maybe roll out wallets now because I mean, who's selling crypto now to transfer it, right? So no one really has. Well, people might have gains to sell, but if you bought Dogecoin, well, you've lost a lot of those gains anyways, right? So you're not really looking to sell because I know in the summer, right? We talked about how if Robinhood rolled out wallets, how most people were looking to transfer out of Robinhood to a different platform, right? So, well, if they're rolling out these wallets when everything is going down, well, I guess no one's selling anyways because when profits, right? And on the other side, why roll out wallets now when the market is down, right? So again, if the intention is to roll wallets, one second here, guys. that that says they're not smart. They're not that smart. Um, I don't know what to tell you. A lot of these what's going call it? Are we in a bear market? What does the chart think? The chat? Yeah, if we're below $40,000, and then yes, that's concerning, right? Why? Because we could potentially push it 37.5 and $30,000, right, Robert? So we need to reclaim this $40,000 level on the daily chart, and then potentially you're back in business, right? So would be better placed if we're more like who is that? Is that you speaking to Robert? Look at that, Robert. Your comments, very cool. That's a spam. There you go. Don't think we're in a bear market yet. No. Again, so well, let's watch this daily candle, guys, and see again. So see where this candle closes at, right? And then we can make that decision. If we're closing below $40,000 and selling off to 37, then yes, that's a concern. Again, the daily candle here is really important. Bortis Dope says, "Hey everyone, oh, WTF is going on? You're freaking out." Yeah, everything's selling off, right? So as you go into interest rate hikes and inflation and yeah, again, stock market selling off for the same reason, crypto selling off, right? So yeah, is that Greeny? I don't know if that's Greeny. But she seems to love Andrew and Robert. Andrew and Robert. There you go. Again, so Robinhood guys planning on rolling out wallets, right? Is there a date on that actually? Can we go back to the top of this article and see if there's a date? Um, so Robinhood, let me la la la. Testers will have a daily limit of okay $3,000 in total withdrawal. Okay, sounds good. Um, Unbelievable. Anyways, so yeah, let's go back to the top of this article with the title and so again, if you so Robin had to start rolling out crypto wallets is the headline of this article. So, anyways, let's keep going here. So Robinhood Market Inc. is rolling out crypto wallets to 1,000 users, right? So allowing them to send and receive cryptocurrencies through the brokerage accounts. The company said in a blog post on Thursday, right? So the Menlo Park based online broker had laid out plans to begin testing cryptocurrency wallets this year with the aim of a broader rollout in 2022, right? So out of a nearly 1.6 million people on a wait list for the crypto wallet, the top 1,000 selected can now exchange, right, the crypto from Robinhood with external crypto wallets. Interesting. So 1,000 guys. Are you? Let us know if you wanted the lucky 1,000. Again, so selected can now exchange the crypto. Okay, cool. Uh, let's see here. So the new feature also connects holders of their digital asset to the blockchain ecosystem. Beta testers will have the daily limit of $3,000 in total withdrawals and 10 transactions, and will need to enable two-factor authentication. All right, the company said. Robinhood, which benefited from a boom in retail trading during the pandemic, expects to expand the program to 10,000 users by March. Its customers have long asked for crypto wallets, which allow a broader participation in blockchain based ecosystems, right? So such as buying virtual assets like non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum network. The company is slated to report fourth quarter earnings on the 27th. Very cool, right? So those wallets, there you go, guys. Uh, it should be a good one, right? So again, wallets coming out for Robinhood, guys. So everyone, at least we'll go ahead and send right another wallets to another one, Robert. Again, so that's the question though. Is there a reason why Robinhood is rolling out these wallets now, guys? Is it because no one's really again? So no one really has a whole lot of gains, or again, the crypto market is crashing anyways. Well, not crashing. We seem to we're correcting, right? We're correcting. So is it a good time for them to roll out these wallets? Maybe, right? Because no one has any I mean, there are not a whole lot of gains on Robinhood from crypto, especially, right? Most people bought Dogecoin on Robinhood around again, so around these levels, anyways, right, or higher. So, I mean, what's the rush to take it out when you're not making any gains, anyways? So maybe that's the plan. No cash, cash is king. Cat song, I don't know. I don't know. Again, we're still sitting below $40,000 here, guys. If you have any specific questions about anything else, ask, and we'll try and cover that. Uh, for now we take a look at Bitcoin because again this is controlling the entire crypto market, right? So no wash rule with crypto, no wash rule. Yeah, I mean that's been a thing with cash is getting devalued. La, la, la. Let's see here. If the federal government legalized weed, we're doomed. Why? Gonna turn an expensive crop to what? Okay. Right, Robert. Maybe it's perfect timing. They're waiting for the crypto retracements, right? So again, here you go. Here you are. Let's no gains, nothing to take out, guys. I mean, you can take out your crypto if you want to. You don't have any gains though, so which is really interesting there. So next article here, guys. Crypto article: Russia proposes ban on use and mining of cryptocurrencies. Again, Russia is not the first country that was seeing ban cryptocurrency, right? Mining or anything for that matter, right? So we've seen a whole bunch of developing countries do this in the last month or so. So Russia is just another name on the list. What's the greed and fear index at? I'll take a look, Stuart. Right. So again, Russia is another name on the list here. So we'll take a look at the fear and greed index here once we cover this article. So Muscat, so January 20th, this came out, right? So Russia's central bank on Thursday proposed banning the use and mining of cryptocurrencies on Russian territory, citing threats of financial stability, citizens' well-being. You guys see something in common here, guys, right? Gary Gensler says, okay, we're planning on regulating crypto. Why? Because we're trying to protect the vulnerable, right? We're trying to protect you guys. That's what we're looking to regulate crypto. So Russia coming up with the same type of message, right? So proposed banning, right? Proposed banning the use of use and mining of cryptocurrencies on again on their land, right? Citing threats of financial stability, citizens' well-being, and its monetary policy sovereignty, right? So the move is the latest in a global cryptocurrency crackdown as governments from Asia to the United States worry that privately operated and highly volatile digital currencies could undermine the control of financial monetary systems, right? So again, I mean that's the whole point of the whole point of crypto there. So again, what do you guys think of this Gary can suck it virus? Unbelievable. What do you guys think of this? Or what do you guys think about the whole idea of okay, well again restricting, banning, whatever what you want to call it, regulating, right? Because we're protecting you guys, protect the vulnerable. What do you guys think about that? Um, that's why exactly we are in the crypto because of them. Robert, unbelievable. Why we like money apps? um, yeah, regulation is acceptance. It is, right? So it is. It is. It's better than seeing a statement like that, though, right? So it's better than seeing a ban, right? Regulation is acceptance, right? So getting taxed is okay, right? So it's gonna have to, like, it's gonna happen. It's not a question of if, it's when, right? So it's when crypto is gonna get regulated. you know, governments are gonna have to take their share of the gains. That's just what happens, right? Whether that's marijuana, it doesn't matter. Anything that makes gains, you know they're coming, right? I'll look out for myself, and any financial tell me what to do. Bullfrogging. Queen says rubbish, guys. Viva la revolution. Viva la revolution, guys. Bon la 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 la. Done this about 20 times. Say the new Stewart. Yeah, there you go. Right. So again, we're still sitting below $40,000 here. Right. La, la. Sounds like more government control. I mean, it's is that ever gonna change? Is that ever gonna change, Trick? Um, so there you go, guys. Again, really interesting read, right? Um, it's gonna happen though, right? So it's gonna be regulated at some point here. So next article here, guys. Twitter brings NFTs to the timeline. It's hexagon shape profile picture. Wow, interesting, right? So again, Twitter brings NFTs, right? So introducing, cool. Introducing NFT profile pictures, guys. Anyone see this yet? Look at that. You know, the government needs the control back. Slim Dan, absolutely right. So I'm allowed to suck it. Yeah, you're allowed to, Queen. There you go. So Twitter said in September that it would add a way for users to authenticate non-fungible tokens and NFTs, right? And now the feature's live. If you pay for a $2.99 Twitter Blues subscription and are using an iOS device. Okay, so you have to pay $3, and then you get this, right? Show off your prized possessions. Okay, NFT lookup. Cool. Look at that, guys. That's cool. One on one hand, NFT profile pictures could be viewed as an incredible technology integration, adding real utility for verified digital items, right? Alternately, it's an unvisible signal pointing out that people, right? Pointing that people, pointing, pointing out the people that you should block. Pointing the people that you should block or mute before they try to sell you some of their blockchain receipts. Interesting. Huh. No matter what. No, Twitter is integrating them in a way that separates ridiculous images of cartoon apes that have been right-clicked, images of cartoon pages that have been connected to blockchain tokens by adding a special soft hexagon shape around them. Interesting. Huh. Twitter is supporting several crypto wallets and can connect their and verify their tokens. Um, Coinbase wallet, Ledger, MetaMask, Rainbow, Trust wallet. Okay, cool. Interesting. La, la. Hot wallet and let's see what this video is, guys. uh, Beth, commence the complaining. We stop with all the no. Commence with the complaining, guys. What are we going? What are we moving towards, guys? What's this rubbish? What's this rubbish? Security. What? Unbelievable. Um, NFTs, guys. NFT profile pictures. Uh, yeah. Uh, oh, this is 1 inch. Yeah, I'm okay with Russia banning crypto as long as they don't annex the former you hiding? Okay, sounds good, Scotty. You still don't understand NFTs, Dan? Yeah. Look at that. Still chilling below $40,000, guys. The longer we sit below this level, the more concerning it is, right? Because that's starting to signal that we might sell off again hard to $37,000 here. So the longer we sit below key level support, you're starting to you're starting to again confirm that this level is not going to become resistance, and that's an issue. So we need to reclaim this $40,000 level, guys. In the next, again, take a look at the daily chart here. I'm sure we have about 20 hours here to reclaim that $40,000 level. If not, then yeah, that's an issue. Crypto is good. You cannot hide money from in the H&R tax rocker. Interesting. To go live with Bitcoin trading in Discord. Big news. Small banks. I take a look at a lot of that stuff there, Stuart. Let me take a look at this one here and see if I can find it. La 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 la. Crypto news. Crypto news. Small banks. La la. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Small banks tend to go live for Bitcoin trading. Okay, cool. Let me take a look at that. Let's see here. Let's pull up this article here. Drew. So here's the link. Audio screen. Small banks. La 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 la. It's seems like interesting. I think Drew's gone. Okay, there we go. So small banks set to go live with Bitcoin trading. Interesting. A group of community banks is poised to fulfill a high tech goal. It said last year to let customers buy and sell Bitcoin or mobile banking apps. Interesting, right? An estimated 3,300 banks, some of which unveiled their plans in June, will go live in the first or second quarter with the service with the help of fintech. Okay, cool. The banks, the American Bankers Association, and the Independent Community Bankers of America have made investments in the company as part of the effort. Interesting. Get rid of this here. La, la, la. It's gonna ask me to sign in here, Stuart. But that's really interesting, actually. Again, ease, right? Equals acceptance. So again, banks. I mean, for banks to be able to do that when it comes to crypto, that's huge, right? So for banks to do that in crypto, right? We know banks are going to be the last. Like when it comes to adoption here, some of these banks are going to be the absolute last to the crypto market, right? So for them to do that is really interesting, right? So again, letting the customers buy and sell crypto on mobile apps, that's very cool. So very cool. Again, crypto is not going anywhere, right? So regulated or not, again, so regulation is good news, right? So but again, all of these that headline especially, right, and regulations, that tells you that we're not going anywhere, right? So again, if you take a look at globally, right, so how many people are buying and selling crypto right now? It's not a huge number, so it's fairly new. So again, this helps though, right? If banks are again, so if you don't have to go through all the loopholes, okay, you have to go through over the mountain, through the forest to buy crypto, right? And you can do this. That's again, that's really good news. So, and what are we doing here, guys? We are selling off. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Like that thing is selling off here. Here we go again for the lows of the day, guys. So we hit about, so in the last 24 hours here, we hit about 39.3. 39.3, guys, is what we've hit here. So see if we can, seems like, la, 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 la. Let's see here. happened to that one that you telling me? No. Yes, sell off. It's a sell off. Yeah, it's oh yeah, it's going, guys. Look at this thing now. Look at Bitcoin here, right? So, Bitcoin is yep, it's selling off, right? So hopefully again. So I saw you guys. We talked again. I saw Mindy post in Discord about how she's not buying the dip, right? Again, so why? Because it looks like if you have positions already, this looks a little bit shaky though, right? It looks like we're looking for new lows. It's getting bloody, yeah, it is, right? So might just be waiting double bottom potentially, right? So I don't know if I, yeah, right? Double bottom on the smaller time frame here. Do I think this level is gonna hold? I think double bottoms are a really good indicator, right? So we're bouncing up the bottom already. So again, bottom right there, bounce, strong bounce to $40,000. See if we can replicate that again here. There you go, big upper. So double bottoms, guys. Come on, get back above $40,000. What's this rubbish? There you go. Time to panic or cry. Is it time to panic or cry? I don't think it's don't think it's time for either yet. Don't think it's time for either yet, Stuart. Um, if we if we fail to reclaim $40,000 here in the next 20 in this on this daily candle, right? Then yes, it's time to it's time to cry. I don't know if panicking doesn't really help, right? So just cry, just cry, and then come back in a few months. How about that? Again, crypto saying this is business, but we want our money back. Anyone else crying, Stuart? Yep. Double bottoms, guys. Again, nice little double bottom there, right? So you're good. Okay, sounds good. I have cash ready to go. Anybody else? This cash that you guys are spending over and over, guys. All these dips you guys are buying. Mindy says Jasmine still green. This money you guys are spending. Well, where you guys getting it from? I want to know so I can, go find some cash and keep buying the dips. These dips and dips and dips and dips. Buy the dip. I bought the dip and it kept dipping. I bought the dip of the dips, kept dipping. I bought the dips of the dips. I bought the divinity of the dips. It kept dipping, guys. So again, so we have a double bottom in the last 30 minutes, right? So again, nice little bounce of that at 39.3 level again, right there. So hopefully we can get back about $40,000. Is it looking promising though? I don't know. I don't know about getting about $40,000 here again, guys. So Beth, right? I want to know. I get my money from Toba. Where's Toba, guys? Toba's busy playing FIFA. You know what Toba told me? Toba was like, go on there, say hello, say sorry, say bye, and then go do something else. So that was Toba's advice. Say sorry and bye. Um, um, it's business. Grandpa's coffee can. Okay, sounds good. Um, training, training. Yeah, you're hustling. Okay. But the dip within the dip within the dip. um, there you go. Panicking solves nothing. Keep that faith. Absolutely right. So longevity, guys. Again, crypto investment, not So, Facebook owner Meta dives into NFT collectible craze, guys. Look at that. Facebook owner Meta, right? Diving into NFTs here. So, really interesting. So, Meta, right, is working on plans to allow users to create and sell non-fungible tokens as Facebook's parent company seeks to join the rush of companies trying to capitalize on their collectible craze, right? Again, correct. Teams at Facebook and Instagram are readying a feature that will allow users to display their NFTs on their social media profiles, right? As well as working on prototypes to help users create or mint. Wow, it's gonna be this easy, guys. Facebook and Instagram now create and mint NFTs. So the collectible tokens, according to several people familiar with the matter, right? So two of the people said that Meta has also discussed launching a marketplace for users to buy and sell NFTs. Essentially, wow, a digital asset representing art or imaginary that can be replicated, that cannot be replicated, right? So wow, okay, cool, right? All of the efforts are at an early stage and could yet change. But the discussions marked Meta's first effort to cash in. That thing just disappeared. Cash in on the hype-fueled world of NFTs, the popularity of which surged last year to become a global market worth $40 billion. Wow, interesting. So dominant marketplace and NFT marketplace OpenSea, which takes a 2.5 cent a cut of any sale. This one raised 200 million at a 13 billion valuation just 6 months after raising 100 million at 1.5 billion valuation, right? So major cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase is launching its own marketplace. Wow, look at that. Meta rival Twitter is testing NFTs, showcasing capabilities, while Reddit has launched its own collective. Wow, guys, it's NFT this, NFT that, NFTs everywhere. Wow, really interesting. Meta's plans will also help artists to monetize their digital art as at a time money has poured in a particular into sales of expensive limited collections of NFTs, such as CryptoPunk and the Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? So buyers of these exclusive collections typically post their pieces as their Twitter profile pictures. Interesting, huh? Instagram head Adam Missouri in December said it was actively exploring NFTs without sharing specific details, right? So, but Instagram is now internally testing its NFT showcasing feature, said two people with knowledge of the fast developing plans. Um, Interesting, guys. Look at that. Look how easy it's becoming. We're having banks now talking about buying and selling crypto, right? We're having Facebook, guys. Facebook, Instagram, right? Like one of the more commonly used apps talking about selling, minting NFTs. That's interesting. Right, so Facebook's digital currency wallet Novi, which launched as a pilot in October, is likely to be vital to the plans. Right? Wow, interesting. Novi. S- um, Interesting. Oh, what's okay? Uh, what's up with the market in general, Z? Let me see some of these comments here, guys. Symbol. Did you see the symbol in the image? What symbol? The W, like the hat, or crow? You talk about crow. Interesting. Why are they using crow up there? Why? Is it because of the kitty, the crazy kitty? What's the name of the NFT again? Something kitty. Can't remember now. Good evening, hot slots. Hello, hello, guys. You probably mentioned it, but I got it from AMC for being an investor. Yeah, hot slots. Yeah. There you go. NFTs. There you go. Again, Bitcoin breaking below $40,000 in. It doesn't look like it's ready to recover above that level there. So, oh, some more for the rich trick. Da-da-da. With on long right now. Interesting. Interesting. NFTs, guys. NFTs. It was Jacob. Oh, Sunday. Sunday swap. ADA Sunday swap. Sunday swap. Yeah. I mean, that doesn't really help the right steward. The fact that everything's selling off now doesn't help anything. ADA, not helping, right? So ADA had a nice pump leading up to that. But Bitcoin selling off the way it is, it's different when you get a you get a like a 0.05% drop. When Bitcoin drops like this, everything notices and falls as well. So ADA launching whatever they're launching. This doesn't help anything, right? So la, la. Give them a like. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. And if you want to join Discord, there's a lot of knowledge in Discord, guys. Just people talking about what's happening, right? So if you want to join Discord, come join us. You know, come join us. La, la, la. Again, so question for you guys in the chat. Just a yes or no question. I like asking yes or no questions. So, do you guys think the bottom is in for Bitcoin? Bitcoin especially here. So, they're lit. Yeah. Too bad. There are way too many of them, Andrew. Right. So that's the issue. Way too many of this EMC NFTs. So, again, it's an introduction to NFTs. Maybe that's your first NFT, right? So, an introduction, something to say, okay, well, this is what an NFT is. But that thing, I don't know. There's no value to it though, right? So um, when you flood the market like that. So again, Stuart says no, the bottom is not in yet. It doesn't look like it, right? So when you take a look at this chart, you're like, okay, well, obviously Bitcoin had support above $40,000, but as soon as you break below 40, unable to hold above 40, test and fail, lower highs, right? Well, that's a clear signal to me that this thing wants to go lower. Right. So again, if you're looking for positions in any name, right, dollar cost average, don't jump all in at once, right? So just we like for members, Crystal. Yeah. Is it true the major bought a BBIG Z? Yes, but the question is, what are they doing with that though? Right? Are they buying it to lend it out for shorting? Is the question, right? So is the question. Mhm. Uh, yeah, this thing is you know what? Someone sent me a message saying crypto's crashing and it's not even midnight yet. Why? Because crypto likes to do some crazy things at midnight. So hopefully we don't wake up to $37,000 tomorrow, because that would be a little bit annoying. So, hello, hello, awesome. How's everyone doing? Hello, hello, awesome student. How are you? Uh, so this is just a norm now. BTC drops, people panic. BTC price of people panic. BTC doesn't move. Yeah, it's the norm, guys. It's the norm. Um, right? It doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. People panic now. So let's see here. Been watching movies with the girl. How's good? Amber, how are you? How are you feeling? We just been talking about some rubbish, right? Crypto regulations and whatnot, and Robinhood wallets coming officially announced. So Lisa, you don't have to do a 6 a.m. BBI squeeze strip anymore. Nope, Stuart, that's not happening. Unless we're absolutely crashing. Um, so we'll see though. It's the truth. It is. I don't think anyone's panicking though. Why? Because we've seen crypto bounce, right? We've seen crypto crash to these levels and bounce, with violence, right? So don't think anyone's really panicking here. Again, most of you guys view crypto as an investment, right? So it's different from stocks, where if your stock drops, 50%, you're like, oh no, well that money's gone, right? Potentially, but crypto's more of an investment, and you take a look at the amount of, again, globally, people that are invested in crypto, it's very low, right? So less than 10%. Andrew's panicking. So you always expect these things to come back. So it feels a little bit different this time. Why? Because of regulations and things like that, right? That's why you want to buy value anyways. Because if regulations do come through, right, the good names will you're looking for value, right? Andrew says he's panicking, guys. Oh no, here we go again now. Here we go. Headed for those lows again. Again, crypto doesn't seem like it's ready to bounce. You take again, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, right? So looks like it's looking for new lows. Don't even want to take a look at Shiba and all the other names, because we know exactly what they're doing. They're selling off. They're falling like finally above freezing today. Okay, sounds good. You got a picture of a tank? A picture of a tank? Like an arrow going straight down to the abyss, or what? Oh, that's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for. uh, oh yeah, guys, look at that. Look at Twitter, right? Crypto crash. is what everyone's spamming on Twitter. The crypto crash is what they're spamming, guys, right? So Bitcoin retreats. Um, it's all good. Nah, I look skinnier. I look skinnier. Do I look skinnier? Hmm. Hey, you guys notice? You guys notice that stuff? I don't know. Kobe, no idea. Um, you can buy your own island soon. with with what money, Andrew? In Canada? Unbelievable. Um, Mad Wallace. Why? Because he said it's going to the moon. We're going to the moon, guys. Crypto crash is what's trending on crypto market. Let's see here. Let's see. Take control over a little. More sunshine here. Next. Okay, sounds good, Amber. Sounds good. Just quickly browsing Twitter here, guys, while we are again. So before we come back to that, yeah, Bitcoin is yep. Look at that, guys. We're about to hit new lows here now, right? So about to hit new lows for Bitcoin. Oh yeah, we did it, right? So it's going. Oh no. Always says says going to the moon. And awesome. Yep. Look. Oh my goodness, guys. Wow. Look at that thing crashing. It's a crypto crash, guys. Look at that, right? Is crypto halted, guys? Are we halted? Are we halted? It's stuck. No. This is Bitcoin doing a hacking dumping. What's that? Amber. Yep. Wow, 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 guys. Crypto crash. I'm gonna need to change, do some editing here, Drew. So let me see here. Give me a quick second, guys. Uh, la, uh, no. There we go. Oh wow. And falling, guys. Look at this now, right? So again, once we break below $40,000, guys, where's our next level of support? 37,005, right? So is that what we're headed to? It looks like it. Um, wow. Are we halted? Are we halted, guys? Nah. Tell them. Go, guys. Gain says, "Wow." Yep. Wow, guys. Can we hold crypto? Can we hold crypto, please, Fidel? Can we hold this thing for 1 week or something? Because we're crashing, we're correcting, we're selling off here. We need to take a look at Twitter, guys. In again in a second here and see what all that what's happening on Twitter. Timber, Corinda says Timber. Shiba's following. Everything's following, guys. Like everything's gonna follow Bitcoin here. So doesn't matter what you're holding, right? So let me take a look at the panic here on Twitter, guys. Look at that, right? Oh my goodness, look at that. Someone says, "Aria." Mwahahaha, right? So, when it comes to crypto, people feel different. Like when the stock market crashes, you panic. When crypto crashes, you get excited to buy the dip. Uh, Time to roll the fat one. Unbelievable. Um, Wow, guys. And it's not stopping. Look at this. It's not even stopping. Like we're not even slowing down here, right? This thing's down 5%. Again, Toba shorted the crypto market, so I'm sure he's super happy now, celebrating. Did Peter buy again? Most likely, right? Wow, 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 guys. Not sure what to tell you. I'm with you on that one. What is this, Amber? This is too much. It's too much, Stuart. Like it's too much. Um, it's too much. It's at $2,000, guys. That's 5%. All right, that's 5%. For Bitcoin, that's a lot. That's a huge drop there. You already bought every dip. You elongate. You bought every dip possible, and it's still crashing. You bought the dip. Yep. Wow, guys, look at this. Right. You know who that is, guys? That's Travis, guys. That's Travis on Twitter. I don't know what he's spamming there. Um, um, can we get the business is business meme? Just for morale. We watched that at the beginning of the stream, actually, Stuart, to change everyone's mood a little bit. To remind Bitcoin, this is business. So if you guys want to watch that again, please let me know if you guys want to watch that video again here. Um, a live look at the entire crypto market right now. Um, oh yeah, Drew, can we get a tweet maybe tweet dream? Um, you missed it. Okay, they're banning Bitcoin in yeah, we've covered that. We've covered the article, right? So Russia banned talking about banning Bitcoin and mining and whatnot, right? So um, look at that. Do you think they're crashing because the squeeze? No, this has nothing to do with AMC squeeze. That's a reminder for Andrew. 1 inch mid Lorena. Yeah, wow. Well, my crypto still looks okay. Amber, yours looks okay. Okay, nice. And are we slowing down? No, we're not. Right. So yeah, cookies and have fixing to bake cookies and have some ice cream. Yep. Right. Um. There you go. Let's so comfort food. Who wants to laugh, Stuart? Um. Is in denial. I'm in denial. For what? For the AMC squeeze? No. So let's do some random numbers out here, guys. So again, oh no, let's give this a second because crypto's hitting new lows now, right? We are crashing, right? So we're crashing. Pickup lines, Bitcoin pickup lines. Hello, my name is Bitcoin. Can I crash at your place tonight? That's it, right? So the only question everyone has now is why, Tanner, why, is the only question we have, guys. Why, why? Yeah, we might need to. Let's see here. Give me a quick second. Quick second here. Discard. uh, la. 1 second, guys. La. La. 1 second, guys. La la. La. Wow, guys. BTC. And uh, just putting out a tweet here. There we go. We're back. Right. So let me take a look at Bitcoin here quick, guys, before we come back to the article there. Look at that, right? We're not even slowing down. Sol is still doing its own. If you're holding anything that's doing its own thing, guys, that's impressive. Because we're not stopping. Like we're hitting lows and lows and lows, right? We just talked about this again. Bitcoin now looking like like it's ready to bounce. Why? Because it's failing at $40,000, right? Initially at support at 40K, unable to reclaim that level was a pretty bearish signal, right? So this thing is let me see get it up. You look in shock. Unbelievable, guys. Um wow, guys. Tweeted. Okay, perfect. Let's go, Drew. Solana is still doing its own. Okay. Look at that. 38.5. We're trying to bounce here now, but this is a drop. Shock is setting in. The shock is setting in, guys. I'm watching. Yeah, bye bye. Short. Yeah. Let's talk about something else. Let's talk about something else. So just in, guys, 242 million has been liquidated from the crypto market in the last 4 hours, guys. So 242 million wiped out. Like that's just like just wiped out. Um, can you warn me the next time you crash? I will put on makeup and feel pretty for you. Bitcoin rock pull, unbelievable. I need to turn this off. Yeah, this is stop watching. Um, yeah, guys, we might need to we might need to go do something else here. What happened to crypto chat? Crypto decided to crash. So again, our next level of support is at $37,000. Yeah, I know we have some other levels to pay attention to, and we can zoom out and take a look at those on the daily chart here. Um, but it looks fair again. This looks a little bit scary, right? So broke below $40,000, and people panicked a little bit and sold off, right? So here you go. At least it's not as bad as Peloton on Netflix. November was nice. Yep. Um, That's my squad. Watch your guru gang. Okay, sounds good. Bulldog. Um, what happened to crypto chat? Unbelievable. Again, 242 million guys wiped out just like that. Toba is celebrating, guys. Toba is celebrating. He's like, wow, Z. Yeah, because he shorted the crypto market. He shorted it, guys. Unbelievable. When she was 55, Leah. Yeah, I think we all miss when Bitcoin was, pushing for the 60s and the 70s. This is no fun at all. Uh, what's with the red bubbles on your screen? Your mom asked you what's with the red bubbles. What did you tell her? You told her it's crypto's getting so look at this crypto bubbles, guys. Look at that, right? That's everything crypto. Sub 100. Frax is the only green name here. Yeah. Well, that thing better start counting its blessings because it's about to be is proposing a ban on crypto. Yeah, we've covered the article already, guys. Again, so Russia planning on proposing right on banning crypto mining and everything else, right? So did you tell her it was money vanishing? Yeah, your money's vanishing. That's what the red bubbles are. Um, here you go. Crypto's getting what, Jason? Getting that's what it is. Okay. There you go, guys. So, question for you guys in the chat, right? So, let's put out some numbers here. If you had to call out the bottom, guys, if you had to call out the bottom, what number would you put out? What number would you hope that we hold, right? Is it $30,000? Is it 38 here? Is it 37? What do you call the bottom for Bitcoin here, guys? Let us know in the chat. What the francs? Yep, Scotty, that's what's happening there. So let me take a look at some more. Okay, 418 million has been liquidated from the crypto market in the last 12 hours. Yep, it's been 37.5, Stuart. Yeah, so that's our next level of support, right, Stuart? So 37.5 is our next level of support. So again, hopefully, right, we can hold those levels. 37, Crystal. Okay, sounds good. 35, 36.5. Okay, 32, Professor. 30K, Jake. Okay, sounds good. There you go. The greatest opportunity ever. Tanner is what you told your mom. Tanner's mom asking, what are all those red bubbles? Tanner says, that's an opportunity of a lifetime. The crypto crash, right? So again, crypto is different, guys. Completely different. If this is the market crashing, people panic. When it's crypto, this is the reaction. Come on, give us those dips. I wanna buy the dip. Bottom, nah. There you go. like you said, 33 again. So we can't really call the bottom, guys. Don't want to put like I personally don't want to put a number out there. So again, it's a matter of testing support and seeing what happens, right? So again, if we test $40,000 and break below that level and fail to reclaim it like we did not too long ago, you think we're going lower, right? So again, let's take a look at this chart. We talked about this already, right? When this was happening, when $40,000 is the support and you tested this level and held twice, and for the third time you test and unable to hold above and you're failing, well, that's a signal of a sell-off, right? So even if we have support at 37.5 and $30,000 and 35s, right? So what happens at those levels really important. So again, can't really call the bottom. What happens at those levels is we test them, right? If we're bouncing, okay, that's a good signal. If we're failing below, that's signaling that we're going even lower, right? So that's all you pay attention to. So we could go to 35 and see what happens there. Go to $30,000, go to 25, right? So again, let's see what happens here. Updates. Jasmine still green. Jasmine still green, guys. Jasmine still green. Let's take a look at this here. Look at that, guys. Jasmine still green. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Again, so Algo is at 111, right? ADA is at 120, guys. 122 ish, right? Shiba 25.5. Dogecoin 15, right? Crow 41, guys. XRP 69.5. Mana 250. Sand 270, 370. Jasmine is the only green name on the list. Right? Wow. Look at this rubbish. It's a dip fest. 30K. Both retail will pour in. Benz, yeah, like $30,000 for Bitcoin is our most reliable level of support, right? So, if there's a level that you're confident that we're gonna hold, it's $30,000, right? Are we gonna get to that level? Not sure. Don't think so, right? You never know, right? So again, $30,000 would be our most reliable level of support. We've been holding that level for a year now, so let's see what happens there. The only green here is getting smoked. Look at this, guys. What's this? You get a red, you get red, you get red, you get red. That's what the bears. That's what they're doing with crypto, guys. Yep, that's exactly what they're doing there. Mining from freaking out together. We're in this together, guys. We're in this together. We're gonna, lose together, make gains together. There you go. What are you all buying? That's a good question, actually. Are you guys buying the dips or are you just waiting? Are you guys buying? You type in. Are you guys buying the dip, or you're just waiting for a bigger dip here? Let's not promote. Let's not promote our words. Um, um, you know what? I feel like I want to watch that video again one more time, honestly, because I feel like we need some more laughs, right? So again, imagine this video, right? This video, um, with the crypto orders. I think I have it pinned somewhere. It's called Freak something. Uh, Drew, take yeah, I'll have to take a look again here. See if I can get a link here for those orders, guys. Again, so those crypto orders coming through, right? So it's called fiatleaks.com. That's what it is. So Fiat Leaks is what that website is. So for crypto orders, right, coming through. So, see if I can copy that there. And take a look at that. There you go. There you go, guys. Again, so yeah, look at that, right? So these are transactions that are happening, guys. Again, you take a look at the list here, right? Look at those orders: buy, sell, buy, sell, right? So again, that's tracking transactions every minute, right? So every second. Look at that, guys. Look at that. $8 million has been traded in the past minute, right? So for crypto, for all these names on the list here, is that a surprise, though? No, it really isn't, right? So because we're getting a lot more volume there. Yeah, look at those orders coming through. So again, Ethereum getting a lot of volume here. Bitcoin, right? US Tether, guys, look at that. That tells you what's happening here, right? When Tether's at the top of the list here, right? That sends you a clear message. People are scared, right? They're taking their money out. They want to live so they're using Tether, right? So yeah. Cool website. Yeah, it is Slim Dan. All right. So again, it's tracking those orders there and telling where the money is going. Right. So again, that's the yeah, waiting for March after the Fed interest rate hike. I'm reloading when everyone sells, waiting for March after the Fed raises. Yeah, so the Fed raises in March, right? Again, if you're wondering why the crypto market is dropping and the stock market dropping, is because inflation, interest rate hikes, right? All those again, including regulation potentially, right? So look at Tether, guys. Look at that, right? People are taking their money out and putting it in a stable coin, guys. Selling crypto, put your money in this coin is what they're doing there. Um, I'm glitching a little bit here. Okay, so I might need to shut some things down here like already. Wow. Panic. Yeah, yeah. I'm glitching hard, right? So I'm gonna need to lock some things here. It comes and goes too, which is annoying. Shiba gaining in three zeros tonight. Andrew is gaining three zeros. Dogecoin is number two. Yeah, it's Dogecoin is getting some. Look at Doge, guys. It's flying in. Like, look at those orders fly in. It's a max. What? Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn some things off here. Close that Discord here. At the minimum here, guys. Wow, yeah, I'm glitching hard. Glitching there, guys. There you go. Crazy. Cause for harder bounces? Yeah, they do. There you go. It's fixing already. Any other abuse animals you want to laugh at? No, and no, Stewart. Nothing else. La la. I'm just reading some of these comments, guys. You averaged down on a few positions already, Christy. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Let's see where this thing drops to, or if we can reclaim $40,000, and then yeah, I'm sure we can buy the dip. But for now, I feel like I'm just safety, right? Stock market crashing. Obviously not don't know if I'm buying the dips or not. We played with some leaps today in the stock market, anyways. So you can call that dip buying. But I feel like I'm just gonna be patient here with these dips. Hasn't been a hard bounce, no, right? Again, and those bounces are like a key message, right? When you crash and you bounce hard, that's always a really good sign. We're not really doing that. We're not really doing that, guys, right? So which sends you a very clear message, right? People are not really buying the dips as they should, right? So as not willing to buy the dips anyways. Look at that, right? We crashed into below $40,000, and that's it, right? Look at this, right? That's it. That's it, right? Huge sell-offs, and that's it. And it looks like we're about to turn around here again. Yeah, this thing looks like it's looks like it's calling for lower. That's what it's doing, guys. Calling for lower, saying been a hard bounce. No, rocket booster at the bottom of this pit to get us out, Tanner. I hope so too. Bounce it. I'm about to for a couple thousand, Queen. Unbelievable, unbelievable, guys. Again, this drop isn't over, Slim Dan. No, it's not. Again, it's always really telling when you can see where people are putting the money at, right? So and for now, it's not a whole lot of excitement here, guys. With these green candles, no. Uh, Again, on the daily, the red bubbles again. Let me see if I can pull up the red bubbles here because my other screen is shut off here. So, Drew, the red bubbles. Let's take a look at the bubbles there. Bubbles. Show us those red bubbles. Take a look at these bubbles, guys. On the daily, yeah, that's the hourly. Let's take a look at the daily here, guys, and see what crypto's done in the past 24 hours. Because again, we know over 400 million has been liquidated, right? So um, there's the daily, guys. Look at that. It's redness. Look at this. 10%, 11%, right? 20%. Um, it seems like the average is around 10% here, Stewart, in the last 24 hours. Look at that though. Everything reds, 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 red. ADA 9.5%, so 7.4, right? Um, Sand 12%. Wow. LTC 10%, Gala 11%, right? A lot of these names have really struggled. Is that a surprise? No. Ready to cry? Are you guys ready to cry, guys? Um, And then you look at the last 15 though. What's been reflected here, guys, is this, right? So what those bubbles are reflecting are these little green candles here, right? It's yet to update for these red ones here, because it's looking like we're about to flush again. I was promised a Lambo. I am pissed off, Gary. I was promised a Lambo, guys. Crypto promised me a Lambo, and I'm not getting it. Here we go again, guys. Right. So these green candles are not doing enough, right? These bounces are not strong enough compared to the red candles, right? So again, lower highs, lower lows. Looking like we're about to drop again here now. Bad news. Want to play the word game? Sure, Queen. Um, Sand mana, bye bye bye. Sand and mana. There you go, Stuart. Yeah, so I wanted to drop a little bit more, Stuart, so I can maybe pick up some mana. I have some sand already. You know, why not both? Why not both? We're crying TGS. Are you guys crying? Are you crying already, guys? If you're crying already, type in yes in the chat if you are. Buy Hot Wheels Lambo, Jason. Right? Feel better, Gary. Can you buy Hot Wheels Lambo, please and thank you. You unsubscribe from who? Unsubscribe from Living with Lucy. To uh oh, who's Living with Lucy? Is that another YouTube channel? Promised a Lambo, got a go kart. Yep, Jason. That's what's happening now. TGS, you're crying. Okay. Going to $29,000. Sell. Okay. That channel is terrible. What like Andrew? What channel is it? Is it a crypto channel? Love discounts, but there's a limit. When Gary tells you there's a limit, guys, she was a Doge millionaire. Oh wow, okay. When Gary tells you that there's a limit, like Gary loves buying dips. Gary is like the like when you think of buying dips, right? Scaling in, there's a picture of Gary right there on the wall, right? So when Gary tells you I love discounts, but there's a limit, that sends you a very clear message, right? The only reason I'd be crying is because I don't have money to buy the dips. I know, right? I wish I could just keep loading and loading and loading and loading, but we bought the dips, and um, these dips have to stop at some point. Lucy J Dog. Okay, I have no idea who that is. More like promised a Lambo. Got a Hot Wheels toy car. Benz. Yeah. Time to ride a tricycle. Park the Lambo. I mean, bullfrogging. What Lambo are we talking about though? Um, what Lambo? Discounted land buying time. Is it actually discounted? Well, I guess so. Ada. So, um, Stewart. Look at this, guys. So we're headed back to the lows here for the last 24 hours, right? So again, these bounces are just not good enough, right? Again, initial bounce, we crashed below $40,000, guys. Look at that, right? From 41, all the way below $40,000, and this is all we get for bounce. $100, that's it, right? We crash again below, and that's all we're getting for bounce. Well, again, crash, and that's all you're getting for bounce. Well, obviously the dip is not over, right? So patience, guys. But the dip and the dips, just losing money crazy. Make Yeah, there you go, guys. Look at this. Jasmine is finally red. Unbelievable, guys. Again, so ADA 121, right? Algo 110, guys. Wow. Shiba pushing for that 25. Doge below 15. Crow struggling to hold 40, guys. XRP is at below 69 now. Mana below 250. Sand, wow, guys, 367. It's over, guys. Jams is red, right? Oh, it's back to green, guys. Jasmine's back to green. It's okay. Break even now. It's holding, guys. Jasmine's the only thing holding up here. Um, I love Devsela. I love the fam. Now I'm frugal. Now the best time love here. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Jasmine. Here you go. We are back, guys. We're back, Stuart. Come on, look at that. None of this rubbish. You're waiting to be broke, Diego? Okay, waiting to be broke, guys. I don't know what to tell you. Again, for now we wait. Eventually, again, crypto's very new, right? So we talked about this. We made fun of this as well. We talked about the fact that okay, cool. Like crypto had a really strong year last year. You take a look at most of these coins, you're like, wow, that was 12,000%. Wait, Shiba went up 50,000%, right? 3,000% for this, 10,000% for this. Is 2022 the year we retrace, guys? Right? Again, let's see if we can sell up to a level. Whether that level is 37, 37.5, right? Whether that level is $30,000. Can we drop to a level, find the base, and then recover? For now, again, well, what we're looking for are signals, guys. Signals of a pump. We're not quite seeing that though, right? We're not seeing this at all here. Again, these bounces are weak. That's a weak bounce and all gone. So again, for now, until we start creating higher highs, right, and higher lows, this is looking for new low. Again, we're looking to keep dropping here, right? So your next level of support is 37.5. Another $1,000 from here, right? And then we can see if we hold that level. If not, we're now looking for $30,000, $35,000, and $30,000, right? So market crashed again. Oh yeah. Today the crypto market is crashing tonight. Tomorrow morning the stock market is going to be crashing. You know, uh, we're going to need to start doing cooking videos and Pokemon streams. For Blink was nice. Yeah, 2021. Yeah. Cigar potentially, right? So I mean we've hit what 38.2 already. Will bring yeah the interest rate hikes. Yeah. I mean, all of this crashing here, guys, is in anticipation of a rate hike, right? So we know the rate hike is coming already. It's not a surprise. So the more information we get about that, the crypto market crashes, the stock market crashes, right? So save your powder. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for these names to sell off to get a bigger discount, right? Before I add to those positions. Again, if you're looking for positions here on some names you like, dollar cost average, guys, scale in slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't throw all the entire don't throw your entire wallet at once, right? So it's now called that crypto a scam. We tagged nicely. Yep. Since trick. Yep. Jay says disaster, absolute rubbish. To be concerned, much is baked in and retailers. Yeah, I bet you maybe what happens here, honestly, Mindy, is this morning we it's a fourth. So I bet you what happens is the market prices in all the inflation data, right? Yeah. Again, and interest rate hikes. As we get close to that level, instead of selling off, we might see again. So buy the hype, sell the news, right? In this case, again, so buy the news, sell the news, right? And again, so sell the panic, and actually buy the news, right? So you might see this thing crashing, leading into that, right? Baking it in, like Gary's saying there, and then when that news does drop, though, we might drop a little bit, but that's going to signal the recovery, right? So as we go into March, guys, again, crypto selling up to March, potentially. Again, stock market, crypto selling up to March, potentially, right? And then recovering after that, after the interest rate hikes, right? So again, that might be a possibility. El Salvador is buying the dip. I mean, El Salvador bought the dip almost at $50,000, right? So, I think they're scaling in anyways. If not, then I don't think then I think that they like to FOMO. So you're baked in, Stuart. You're baked in. Yeah, I think we're. um, what are my thoughts? Alpha, it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. Again, if Bitcoin continues to sell off here, Ethereum is gonna sell off. Everything is gonna sell off with it, right? So, mm, might look to buy after they drop the news, or if we can see it before, right, Mindy? Yeah. So, someone is about to go bankrupt. Yep. That's what's about to happen, guys. They're buying all these dips. When do they stop buying the dips? So when do they actually buy some good dips? El Salvador FOMO the last time at so they missed a $40,000 drop, but they bought a $48,000. So obviously these guys are the scared of missing the actual dip is what they're doing. Can you and level difficulty impossible. Let's make some people laugh tonight. There you go, guys. Alrighty. So the word that I'm not allowed to say, guys, is there you go. You have it. Okay. Can't say that word. Let's see how long I let's see how long it hasn't started, guys. Hasn't started yet. So they bought a $52,000 exactly, right, Mindy? That's impossible. It's impossible, guys. News articles have been negative for weeks now. Unfortunately, they control the market. Oof. It's impossible. I told you it's impossible. Like it's impossible. It's impossible. I say that all the time. Like it's they have that beautiful crypto facility they built. Yep, possible. This is the year to make gains on the volatility. To see technical longs start nibbling. Absolutely, guys. We seem to be forming a nice little double bottom here for Bitcoin, though, right? Seem to be forming a nice little double bottom here, guys. So again, that right back down again to the same level. Potential recovery here, right? See if we can clear this highs here. If we can get back above 39, that might be a good sign for potential recovery to $40,000 here. So for now, we watch this bottom here. Well, we're looking at this level here, right? And this level here. So see if we can again hold this level here, get back above that. If we can do that, okay, cool. Then we're taking steps in creating higher highs and higher lows, right? If not, break below this level, yeah, the sell-off is continuing. Double bottom 30 minutes ago. We thought there was a double bottom 30 minutes ago. Use sign language. La, la, la. It's supposed to be a challenge. I'm not supposed to win a queen. That wasn't even the challenge, was it? I knew that was impossible as soon as I hope is a good thing. Maybe the best of things, yeah. Omi survives. Circle gang. That's why Diego. Diego. This was too easy, Stuart. Too easy. The difficult level was impossible. Yeah, I mean, she said it was impossible, and I knew it was impossible. So, um, I knew it was impossible. Yeah, let's give it a few, guys. Again, let's give it a few. Let's see what happens here in between this range. Because it's really important here. We've crashed. We're not really recovering here. We seem to be forming a nice little double bottom here. So see if we can hold above this 38.3 level here, right? And break back above 39. Or do we crash again and keep falling? We break below this level, guys. Yep. Right. So we're looking for new lows. If we can try and break above that, okay, cool. Then potential momentary recovery till midnight, and then you wake up to 35K again. Explained it and said Queen. Yep. From your favorite movie? What's that? What's that? How will we sleep tonight? Honestly, guys, I don't know how you guys are gonna sleep. Cause Bitcoin looks like it wants to have a sleepless night. It looks like it woke up today and chose violence. So there you go. Don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already, guys. Smash the like, hit that subscribe, and if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, so you don't sleep tonight alone, right? So you're not sleeping alone tonight. Come join us in Discord. Here's the link, right? So come join us in Discord, guys. So we can console each other. We can cry together, guys, and say, it'll be okay. It's from Shawshank Redemption. It is. What's that? What's that symbol, Andrew? If, might just be required. Yep. In Hangout General, just read Andrew's comments. Oh, my Discord is shut off. Right, because I was glitching a little bit, Mindy. I've a lot of pain for people who invest in cryptos for the logos and not the projects. Exactly, Diogo. So when crypto is dipping like this, guys, we have a lot of good projects, right? So now's the time for you to take a look at those projects and say, okay, well, can I nibble? Can I scale into these projects, right? When crypto crashes like this, right? Now's the time you look for those things that were overly extended, overvalued, right? But that are good projects, right? This is business. This is business, guys. Awesome movie, plays great taste. Yeah, that's one of my. That's most likely my favorite movie of all time. Shawshank Redemption. I think that's the movie that I've watched the most. BBIG done a big what sesh? Yep, right. So in a tight range here, guys. See if we can get above that little W there. If we can, cool, interesting. I slept like a baby. I like discounts to hit games. Yep, there you go. Shiba hit $5. Dylan says, when is Shiba hit $5? You mean like when you say $5? What do you mean? Like your account goes from like 100 to $5? Dumping their Bitcoin as well, Benz? Potentially, right? Maybe. Go Shawshank Redemption. Recording. Okay, sounds good. Oh, we just have to consolidate. Best time to be smart with your money. Don't buy when pumping. Exactly right. So scale in, guys. Wait 3 hours and Shiba would. Unbelievable, Andrew. Wait 3 hours and Shiba won't exist anymore. Why would you say that? We should have won the Oscar except for the dope running. Eating a box of chocolate, Andrew. Yeah. Is Dogecoin pumping, Ken? No, everything's selling off, right? So everything's selling off, guys. Everything's selling off. Forrest Gump. Yeah. There you go. Again, so what are we looking at here, guys? We're looking at this side range here. So we've had a nice dump, right? But it seems like we're double bottoming here a little bit, right? So again, we sold off this level, bounce, came back again, confirmed that support, right? 38.3, and we're trying to recover here. So see if we can clear this the top of this range. If we can, we need to start creating some higher lows and some higher highs, and then maybe we can recover back to $40,000 here, right? Maybe this is it. I don't think anyone believes that, right? But maybe this is it, right? So again, double bottom support, right? If we can clear this level, and then yes, there's a little bit of hope for recovery. If not, then we're failing at the same level, right? And then we're looking to come back lower here, right? Fail, crash, fail. Are we failing here again? Maybe, right? So in that tight range there again, pump, back. We're following the W nicely, following it really nicely here. So see if we can get above there. Was Green Mile, yeah. Uh, they're both at Tanner. They're both right. So buys and sells, guys. The days of pumping are over. Yeah, it might be time for you guys to look for good projects, right? Because the days of pumping might be the days of pumping might be of running 100%, 50%. Yep. It looks like a WWE symbol. Yep. SmackDown. Yep. Pete. WWE SmackDown. You can see the arrows there, and when those arrows come through, right, you can see buys and sells. Let's go, Gary. Red candles are coming up. Are coming up next. The red candles are coming up again. Would that be a surprise though? No. Why? Because we're sitting on resistance, guys. Right? Again, the top of this level here is resistance, right? Because once you clear this level here, it gives the bots right a signal to start buying a little bit. Why? Because we're actually clearing yeah, we're forming a nice little double bottom here, right? If we can clear this level, you might see some nice green candles come through. If not, well, we're gonna sell off again, right? So again, that's why we have this line at the top here. We have this line at the bottom here as support. We have this line at the top here as resistance. So would I be surprised to see this thing sell off here? No, absolutely not, right? So it's not the first time we're doing that either. You just bought some more, Noir? Okay, sounds good. I need to look for a job. Noir, we need some money, Noir. Um, we need some money. Bitcoin is not doing it. There goes BTC social life. No pumping for good times. It's not over, guys. Relax. It's gonna be okay. No, it is. It is, guys. It's gonna be okay. This is crypto. We have this again. This is not the first time this has happened, right? We're gonna recover even if we push to $30,000. It's a longer game, guys. You guys are fairly early to this, right? Remember that. Globally, there's less than 10% of 10% of the global population, right, invested in crypto. So less than 10%, guys. There you go. So we're fading at the top of that resistance level there. So surprise, surprise, no, absolutely not, right? So that's the exact reason why we have that level there, because we've done that and failed. We expect again, so double bottom, potential double top, right? So let's see what happens. It's a little bit slower now. Don't be greedy. No one's buying all the dips, guys. Might buy more inches if I keep drinking tonight. um, we will recover in 2023, Garage. I mean, um, yeah, that's okay though, right? Long-term we're in a recession potentially, right? So this year might be rubbish with those interest rates. So uh, 90% are sleeping easier tonight. Exactly right, Smoochie. Why did we pick crypto, guys? What's this rubbish? Because now we're gonna be watching crypto all night. When do we sleep? Is the question. Crypto is pumping, we can't sleep. Crypto is crashing, we can't sleep. What 1 inch at a time, Gary. 1 inch at a time, guys. It'll pop again eventually, no doubt, Slim. No, absolutely. So push and go up. What do you mean? We seem to be riding that moving average there a little bit. So again, we need to clear this level, guys. Clear that, break above $39,000, and then okay, cool. Maybe we can reclaim 40K here, right? So we're waiting. You know what I like? I feel like we should just get the crash over with, guys. No sleep for you. I feel like we should just get the crash over with. Honestly, these little bounces here are not good enough, right? Just get the crash over with. Like, just sell this thing back to $35,000. Honestly, sell it to 37, sell it to 30K, and then let's recover. Let's buy the dips and let's recover here. These are little hope, little pumps and sell off. Not fun at all. Keep the faith in these difficult times. Don't lose hope, guys. Give up, or above all, sell at a loss. Right, right past the Scotty. There you go, guys. Crypto will weather the storm. Right, rise once again, and we will rejoice together on the path to Lambo, guys. There you go. Z says yo Z. Let's take a look at this article, guys. Let's see here. Nassim Nicholas Talib. Tonight, some investors in Bitcoin remind me of a ruined gambler who, standing outside the casino at midnight, just realizes he lost the key to his car. Unbelievable, guys. Um, Obviously, this person is verified. Writes again tonight. Some investors in Bitcoin remind me of a ruined gambler who, standing outside the casino at midnight, just realized he lost the keys to his car, guys. Who's this? Is this you? You intrigued? Who's this? Let me know if in the chat if this is you guys. Are you looking for your keys? Um, Anyone got a room to rent? I'm outside with Tana, so this is you. Um, 4 more hours? No, Andrew. Um, Slim Dancer's bad night for that dude. Yep. Look at that, guys. There you go, him. So again, Bitcoin, guys, failing at the top of this little bear flag here, right? So we formed that double bottom. We're also forming a double top here now. We're struggling, right? So we need to clear that level. If not, we're gonna see another sell off here again. It's it Yeah, double tops and double bottoms, guys. That's what we're looking at here now. We're holding the bottom nicely. We're failing at the top though, right? So that's why we have the line at the bottom here. That's why we have the line at the top. Why? Because that's resistance and this is support, right? So we break above that level. Okay, cool. Let's pump. We break below this level. Okay, let's crash, right? So, um, new phone, who this? New phone, who this, guys? I lost my my keys once, but the waitress was worth it, Gary. Unbelievable. Should be easy tomorrow. Only one ticker on the list. What's that gonna be, Andrew? Um, Daddy wants to see a triple bottom. You want to see a triple bottom, Noor? Okay. We might get a triple bottom because we're failing at the top here. Um, 99 nah, manipulation Ponzi scheme developer. Interesting. Hello, crypto. Les, crypto. Hey yo. I just bought some more BTC. It'll crash now, Pete. Oh, unbelievable, guys. Look at this, Pete. Don't you bought some Bitcoin? Now we're about to crash. Yep. Here we go, Andrew. That thing is not gonna be on there. Guaranteed, 100%. No, no, no. Yep. So we're feeling at the top of that wedge there, right? Well, not a wedge, a bear flag there, right? We're feeling. So here we go again, guys. Here we go again. You want your mommy, Stuart? Stuart says, I want my money. I want my mommy, guys. I want my mommy. Unbelievable what we're seeing here tonight. So I'm glad we could at least witness this because most of the time crypto crashes without us. So I'm glad we could be on stream while it's happening, right? So seems like we're about to sell off again here. So we're failing, right? We're not really going anywhere. Again, these green candles here are cool and all, right? But you need confirmation. So we're clearly failing at that confirmation range here and selling off here again. So triple bottom, here we come, right? So more selling. Here comes more selling, guys. Smash those likes. Let's go, guys. Again, so reminder, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second to smash a like. Hit that subscribe. Uh, and if you don't want to be a Bitcoin and crash, if you want a place to crash tonight, guys, become a member, right? If you want to be able to say, hi, my name is Bitcoin. Can I crash at your place tonight? Well, come join us in Discord, just like Samuel just did, right, Samuel? Let's go, Samuel Nelson. I'm not sure what you signed up for, so I'm going to give it a second here for someone to let me know. Um, once here, you move she up. Welcome, Samuel. Good learning lesson for new investors. Dan, yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. What did Samuel sign up for? What did you sign up for, Samuel? YouTube. Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Beth. Welcome to. Thank you for supporting the channel, Samuel. Thank you very much. So again, guys, so if you want to sign up for the Discord level, right, you have to sign up for the Discord level, right? So Samuel, again, thank you very much for supporting the channel. Hot traders, hot traders, hot traders. Pastor Scotty, or is it YouTube? No. Let's see here. Tomorrow's going to be tough. Tomorrow's going to be tough. Yeah, I know it is. Tomorrow seems like it's going to be absolute rubbish. Under $3. And what? Yeah, there you go. Hot traders level. Okay, sounds good. Hot traders level. Thank you. Thank you, Pastor. Thank you, Pastor Scotty. And Samuel Nelson, welcome to Discord. So welcome. Thank you very much for the support. So come join us in Discord. All you have to do, Samuel, is go to the community tab on YouTube, right? So go to the community tab on YouTube, and there's a link there for you to join us in Discord. It's the very last post you're gonna see in the community tab, right? So again, go to the community tab on YouTube, right, on the Hot Trades YouTube page, right? So there's a link there for you to join us in Discord, right? So once you click on that link, go to the Rogues channel and react to the cookie at the very bottom, and let me know once you do, and then we can tell you what to do next. That's okay, Beth. That's okay. That's okay. I'm scared you're shaking your boots for tomorrow. Shaking your boots. Cognac tonight. Definitely needed that after dark stream. Noir, I know. Too much. There you go. So Samuel, these are the instructions you have to follow to get into Discord. Right. So again, go to the community tab, click on that link, go to the Rose channel, read the information, click on the cookie at the very bottom, and then go to the Getting Started channel and follow those images, and you should be good to go. If you're having any issues, let us know in the chat here or send me an email. But if you let me know in the chat, I can tell you what to do right away, and then yeah. Time to go to McDonald's and load up on ketchup dog food. Oh, Crystal, you're having dog food already. New name, Pastor Scotty. Love the name, Pastor Scotty, guys. There's a time for everything. A season. Hey guys, look at this. We preach. There's a time for everything. A season for every activity. A time to weep. A time to laugh. A time to mourn. A time to drink. Let us drink tonight onto our faith in cryptos once again rewarded, guys. Let's go. Let's we drink tonight as crypto crashes. So again, Bitcoin needs to reclaim this level, guys. If it can, okay, cool. And then yes, we might just be ready to recover. For now, though, there's going to be some strong resistance here. We failed at this level once, twice, three times already. So we do need to clear this level if we can. Okay, 39 and $40,000 there potentially, right? So there you go. I'm not even taking a look at anything else, honestly, because I know most of these names are red. Jasmine's still green, guys. Jasmine's up almost 1% actually, right? Which is interesting. Other than that, though, most of these names are red. Oh wow. Yeah. Most of those names are super red there. But this Friday already feels quite different, and we aren't there yet. Z, yeah. Bye bye bye, Chris. But Chris says bye bye bye, guys. Bye bye bye. Again, dollar cost average scaling, right? Scale in slowly, guys. Gary, guys. La 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 la. 1 second here. One Lambo. When we're rich, I'm just taking a look at yeah. Show us our Jasmine. Yeah, we need to take a look at Jasmine, guys, because that thing is it's not going anywhere. But it's the only green name, right? So they right there. Wait, what? 1.77%, guys. This thing's up almost 2%. Well, Bitcoin is down 5% here. Every Jasmine is one of the only green names there. Stewart. Interesting. Slowly but surely we will get the last laugh. I promise you that, Azi. Absolutely. We will recover, guys. You ready, Amber, for what? For more crashing or for tomorrow? Oh yeah, we've clearly found that level as resistance, and it's struggling to get above it, right? So just a random W level here that we're trying to get above, and that's all again. So sometimes that's all analysis is, right? Looking at these levels and saying, okay, well, obviously we're failing this, so I want to be careful at that level or get right. So until we can start creating some higher highs here, guys, this thing is not going anywhere, right? So this doesn't look too good to me here. The fact that we're trying to bounce, but these bounces are weak here. These are not strong bounces, right? So I would be a little bit patient with the dip buying, right? So again, buy the dip, dollar cost average, right? Otherwise, you might be in trouble. So we're clearly failing at that level there, and it's signaling some more drops coming, right? So don't think anyone's feeling confident. Jams is our savior. Jams, guys. Jams is up 2.2%. Jams, the savior. Thanks is better late than never. Oh yeah, better late than never, guys. Hello, Jams. If you're holding Jams, Jasmine, guys, type in yes in the chat. Because that's the only green thing in your portfolio potentially, right? So today, at least, if you're holding Jasmine, type in yes. Because everything else is looking like the United States are scared of it, just like Visa. Interesting. Gotta laugh. Oh yeah, absolutely right, Stuart. I mean, you have to laugh with it. You just have to enjoy it. Don't buy green, please. Don't buy green. Don't buy green. Don't buy Jams. I mean, Jams is holding. Everything is crashing, and Jams is holding. Where else is that thing gonna go to other than get high? Time to buy Bitcoin, dang. Oh no, this doesn't look like it's unless we can start creating some higher highs here. Bitcoin looks like it wants to keep going lower here. Something great tomorrow. You predict something great tomorrow? Okay, sounds good. Um, how did fun interview go? I have no idea, Z. I did not watch it. Did not watch. Matt Wallace, everything is fine. He actually tweeted that. He actually tweeted everything is fine. Okay. Um, yeah. Jesus, Jesus, guys. Tell us more about the prediction, Noir. Great, something great tomorrow. Let us know, Noir. Do we need to buy something here? Is that so Noir is drunk now, and he's potentially giving us some inside information here. Noir, what do we need to buy that's gonna do well tomorrow? I watched a movie. I was watching a movie. No idea it dropped this low. Oh yeah, right. 38, guys. Oh, that drop was interesting, right? So again, look at that, right? We've had some scary moments here tonight, right? So broke below $40,000, weak bounce, more dropping, right? Weak bounces here. So we seem to be bear flagging here a little bit. So if we don't break below above this level, and we break below this bottom here, yeah, you're gonna see another sell-off happen, right? So that's what we're waiting for. Do we clear this level and pump, or do we break below this level and crash again? Um, that's the question. To pump or to crash? We need to buy Netflix, baby, tomorrow after the crash. Netflix about Doge. Random tweet. You DM'd. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. And let me take a look here. Yeah, my DM is let me take a look here, Andrew. Give us 10k. You want 10k for Bitcoin? Wow, imagine what everything else would crash too. The single greatest currency ever designed, unbelievable, guys. Look at that, Matt Wallace. Let me see if Drew, can you pull this? Drew. Uh, let me see here. La la. Let me. Let's take a look at this, guys. So loading, guys. I don't think a Lambo anytime soon. Nope, no Lambos, guys. There we go. It's slow. It's loading. Look at that, guys. Mad Wallace, guys, saying So this tweet came out 7 minutes ago. I don't understand like the idea behind this tweet, right? Right? Yeah, that's okay. So I don't understand the idea behind these tweets, honestly, right? So Dogecoin. So he says, right? So 7 minutes ago, he says, Dogecoin is the single greatest currency, right, ever designed. Dogecoin is the single greatest currency ever designed. I mean, I don't know about that. That's very silly. Um, I don't know about that. Being the greatest currency ever designed. When that thing was designed, it was designed as a joke. So if that's what you consider the greatest currency, again, we play with Doge. Why? Because we wanted gains, right? We want gains, guys. Not you heard it there here first. Blaze coins are going to be to merge with DSD, USD coin. Let's go, Noir. Look at that. You know what's funny, actually? You know what's funny? He's the worst. Um, so we played Call of Duty last night. Call of Duty, guys. Call of Duty. And in Call of Duty, you now get rewards in Tiger coins, guys. You get Tiger coins. It's part again. It's part of the Chinese New Year stuff. But Tiger coin is now part of card, guys. That's crazy. Call of Duty, you get rewarded with in Tiger coins now. Um, which is really interesting. Dogecoin is the single greatest currency ever designed. Okay. I mean, we like Doge for the gains, and we hope to, to push higher. But we know it's not the single most greatest. Sand is a great investment in your opinion, Chris? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Lunch, Microsoft Call of Duty, Microsoft Call of Duty, Microsoft, guys. What else is Mad Wallace post? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the other posts here. Actually, now that we're on the page, um, like you want to make sure like when these guys when people post stuff that there's some substance to it, right? There's some there's some type of like I thought about this a little bit, not just like random pumps, right? So pretty sure freeze over if gets a call, right? I mean Jim Cramer called Peloton, so um, what else? What else is Mad Wallace posting, guys? And, McDonald's? Oh no, guys. McDonald's acceptance would be amazing. Okay, sounds good. McDonald's acceptance would be amazing. Okay, cool. McDonald's acceptance would be amazing. He sucks another Elon. Looking for a pump, fat boy. We need substance, right, Gary? Again, so when you're posting stuff, can you give us some substance? That's what we're asking for, right? Back to the moon. Okay. Matt Wallace says Dogecoin to the moon. Okay. Um, paid in Bitcoin. Okay, cool. Cuban loves Dogecoin. Dogecoin is wow. Look at this, guys. Where's that? Where's that coming from? He says breaking news. Dogecoin to $1 is inevitable. um, while everything's crashing, guys. I think again, if you take a look at 2 days ago, so that tweet was posted 2 days ago. Nothing was looking like Doge wasn't looking like it was going to a dollar, was it? No. Crypto looked weak. So that's really interesting. Says Dogecoin to a dollar. Yep. Elon tag is in a it is every other tweet. Yep. That was really interesting. Anyways, what do I think about Mana, Pokey? Again, I think Mana is a great metaverse play. Hmm. I think Mana is a great metaverse play, guys. So, uh, mindful is, um, guys, leave my tweets alone, guys. Leave my tweets alone. Uh, had to had to do it, guys. Had to tweet it. All right, Bitcoin was crashing, so I had to put out this tweet. If you're not following us on Twitter, guys, the Twitter handle is right there under the Instagram. So, Hot Trades X is the great post. um, here you go. While we're waiting here and looking at that, guys, again, Bitcoin isn't doing anything at all, right? So we've clearly found a level of resistance here, right? Again, top, fail, top again, struggle bus, struggle bus, right? So again, no, not again. People are not buying the dip in Bitcoin here. So we're failing. We're not really going anywhere. So Jasmine is holding 150. You're better than that, Stuart. He said Doge to $100 in one of his videos. Never took him seriously after that one. Z, yep, Doge went to $100. Unbelievable. Bitcoin is 38. Gary, you didn't see this? Are you just seeing this now? Gary says Bitcoin is 38. You're just seeing this now, Gary? Yep. I mean, that's where that tweet went out. That's, you're better than that, Stuart. Um, You know what's funny? Gary has now become that guy that's standing outside at midnight and looking for his keys, guys, because he just realized that Bitcoin is sitting at $38,000 or 38.7, right? He, so this whole time, Gary, you didn't see this? I missed the days of Shiba Palms crypto. I know, guys. Elon, Michael. I mean, Elon is selling off just like everything else, right? Bitcoin selling off, everything sells off. Gary says, "Wow." Um, where have you been? Your poor heart tomorrow. I know, Noah. That thing's gonna be um, it's gonna lose inches. Is what's gonna do. Um, I have been abandoning this for 3 months now. You bought the dip, Randy. It kept dipping. You bought the dip of the dips, kept dipping. You bought the dipidity of the dips, kept dipping. Randy, I know. Um, Bitcoin guys, come on. Um, deep inches, noir. Yep. The entire market, not just crypto names. The entire market is gonna have some nice some nice dips tomorrow. Show the mana chart, Pokey. Sure, we can take a look at mana. Let's take a look at this index, guys. Again, that's interesting how it's bounced a little bit, right? So about a week ago, this thing was sitting at 10, right? So it's recovered a little bit here. When was this updated actually? So Jan the 20th, right? So today, right? So really interesting here, right? Bitcoin is like when I dip, you dip, we all dip, right, Maurice? Everything dips with Bitcoin, guys. So yeah, 24 is what we're sitting at there. 24, guys, on the fear, right? Bitcoin fear, right? Greed index here. So buy blood, so weeds. Dang, unbelievable. I'm dipped out, Randy. I know we all, most of us are, right? So but I have faith. It is yeah, it is, right, Randy? Again, longer term play. We wait. For now, we wait, right? Um, I come in to say hello. Um, yeah. 24 this morning. 24 this morning. I wonder if that's actually updated there, Mindy. So, team Divskis, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a 19 now. It's a 19, 119. Yeah, there you go. So that's the actual website there, guys. We're sitting around 19 now. Right. So yep. After this sell off here, we're sitting at 19. So 19 means we're sitting at extreme fear is what we're sitting at, right? So again, extreme fear. So Kama says uh Kanar, I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. Yeah. As of 5 minutes ago, yeah, it's sitting at 19. So 19 going to zero. It's panicking everywhere, guys. Um, I sold a bit of ETH over 4K. Just chillaxing now, Gary. Okay, sounds good. Um, yeah, unbelievable again. Doesn't look like doesn't look like the bottom is in yet. Right? So see if we can get back above $40,000 here. As you can see, we've clearly found a level of resistance here, right? Right there. So we seem to be struggling around this range here. So again, nice little double bottom here after this huge sell-off. But these bounces are not strong enough. So we need to clear this level here. We've been playing around this level for the last 30 minutes, right, guys? We need to break above this level here. Go for 39 and push back for 40. Find a nice base above 40 and chill there. So if not, we're gonna keep selling off here. We break below this double bottom, guys. You're looking for 37.5 potentially here. So again, let's see if we can clear this level. We've been struggling. Push, fail, push, fail, push, right? So see if we can clear this level, hold above it, right? And go back for $40,000 here. It's trying, like it's absolutely trying here. Here we go. Is this it, guys? Are we about to go for a pump here now? Come on, crypto. Let's go. There we go. Here we go. Back to 39,000. Come on. Can we push for 40, guys? Zero. Greed 100. Oh, la, la, la. Is soaked in blood from calls to crypto. Oh yeah. I'm glad tomorrow is Friday, honestly, so we can we can take a break for the weekend. Cause stock market crashing, crypto crashing. Where do we run to, guys? I don't know. Pokemon. Pump and what, Crystal? Here we go, guys. Finally, back above 39, right? So, see if we can push for $40,000 here now. BBIG better squeeze tomorrow. I don't know. With the market crashing here, I don't know about a BBIG. We'll see tomorrow. We shall see. No. There you go. Lali says, yo, yo. Hello. Break there. It's no break. This is business. It's no break. Oh, Crystal. Yeah. Especially with crypto over the weekend, right? BT. Sorry, I hate. Unbelievable. Torch squeeze tomorrow, Mr. Will told you virus. Yeah, Torch is probably gonna squeeze tomorrow. I bet you there's gonna be a useless name that squeezes tomorrow. I left a ton on the table in the past. New market, new games, Gary. Yeah. I bought some Doge tips tonight. Still holding the line. Okay, sounds good, Randy. Yeah, I mean, these are the times for you to slowly scale in, right? When we dip, you scale in. When we dip, you scale in, guys. Mm. Let's see here. Some Dogecoin dips. Maybe I'll buy some dips next week, guys, or just wait for March, right? Wait for March, or see if we can get back about $40,000. Right? It's not like we're running to $50,000 right away, right? Let's see what happens at the test of 40K here. We will at some point, right? So see if we can get back above. If we can, okay, cool. Maybe we can look to buy Buy as we recover. You're about to buy $500 worth of Crow. You think it's a good idea. I would scale in, right? So I would dollar cost average, scale in slowly, right? If $500 is your entire position, right? I would do $100 at a time. For Crow there, just in case Bitcoin keeps dropping. If it keeps dropping, right, it's gonna take everything along with it, right? It's gonna take Crow even lower. So I would dollar cost average, slowly scale in into that position. And when going to wonder why they didn't buy the dip, scary. That's usually how it is for crypto, right? So you take a look at crypto every year, you wonder why you didn't buy more than you did the previous year. So here looks okay. It has worked with ETC, Gary. Yeah, ETC class. Yeah, yeah. Dang says mana is a steal. Mana is a steal. Yeah, yeah. There you go. What do you guys think? So I have Sand already, right? So I have Sandbox already, as my metaverse play. Um, uh, what's my plan? Do I add to Sand, guys, or do I buy mana? Is this again same but not the same, right? So what do you guys think? Do I add to Sand or do I buy mana? Um, what's my plan, Tash? I'm waiting for Bitcoin to hit 28K before I get back into crypto. We're definitely in a bear market. I'm waiting to add the dip as well. Like I'm not buying here, right? I'm waiting. To Stuart, there you go. Thank you. Mana, there you go. And some land on Pavia. There you go. Some media land. No, I'm waiting, guys. Again, I'm waiting. All right. Um, Virus, buy some mana. Okay, there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Um, no. When we find the bottom exactly right. So Meta Hero is the metaverse play, Carl. Meta Hero. Nah, I'll buy something else. Carl. Nothing against Meta Hero, right? So yeah, Meta Hero is a metaverse play. I'll just find something else. Slim, San is a better investment. Yeah, I have San already. So I have San already, Slim Dan. Everything is built on 12K. Near future, Chris. 5 million Shiba. The $3 might come in handy, Andrew. Go buy a Koju Inu maybe. I think it's gonna pump for you. No, no. Again, if you guys ask me, is the crypto dip over? I don't think it is, right? So it's way too early to tell, but I don't think it is. The fact that we're sitting below $40,000 is a warning sign, right? So I don't think the crypto dip is over, guys. Where do we dip to? I don't know, 37 potentially, right? 37.5, right? So again, what we're waiting for is when we sell off, right? Can we find a base and keep creating higher highs? If we can, okay, cool. Kojo to the moon, right? Cash is king. Uh, till 25K. What about stacks? Nobody knows at the bottom though. Yeah. Meta baby Dogecoin JD. Meta Doge baby Inu. Meta Doge baby Inu. Wow. Um, yeah, that's the type of stuff that you want to be careful when you buy, right? When regulations come through, right, JD? So, um, going down, crypto going down. Yep. Stacker dude. Yep. Right. Stonks down. Crypto down. So, what do? We cry for now, and then we rejoice in 2025, guys. Um, are you kidding, JD? Okay, sounds good. Inflation every year. Liberty, he made it up. Okay, sounds good. I was wondering what that was. Um, some of these names, you know, but it's not a bad level for outs. No, it's not, right? So it's not a bad level to dollar to scale in. Uh, I was thinking about buying in Jasmine and in Crow, $400 in Jasmine. Jasmine, guys, Jasmine, the only green name on the list, right? Jasmine is still up 1.1% here, guys. Look at that. Jasmine is keeping us green. You're happy, folks. Blood in the streets. Yep, you are. Okay. But to be realistic, I would be careful for now, Gary. Absolutely, right? So be careful. BTC is undervalued, much like Tesla. I want to know why. Because that have a lot to lose, so they bet against it and hold it back. Yeah, big up. Jasmine's your boy, right? Yep. Jasmine's Jasmine's Mindy's boy too, Stuart. Um, Gotta get into hard assets and commodities. The brand, yeah, it is. Come on, Bitcoin. You can clearly tell though, right, guys? Again, when we have hard dips like this, and then we're not really recovering nicely, that's a message, right? So no one's confident in terms of like direction here. At least on the upside, no one's confident that Bitcoin's going back up here, right? You can see again, huge red candles, green, not so much, right? No one's confident that we're about to push here, so I'd be very careful, right? Again, let's see what happens here at midnight, guys. See if Bitcoin continues to hold or back up, Mindy. Where's Mindy? In the chat. For March. Not worried about anything soon. Okay, sounds good. Stacker says El Salvador spent 21 million on Bitcoin. It's worth 15.5 now. Yep, it's because those guys every time honesty guys, every time El Salvador buys Bitcoin and they're like, yes, I bought the dip, and you take a look at the level, you're like, you could have done better. I mean, you could have bought this thing at 42,000, 42,000. Instead, you waited till it got to 452 before you bought the dip. Okay. Um, Games are waiting for the first rate hike. The excuse Netflix will do well. Drop. Yeah, exactly, Gary. So till March, January, February, March, guys. So we might have another month of like just crypto struggling before we recover. Unbelievable, guys. Please, please, till March. Uh, Jasmine watch party. We need a Jasmine watch party. No, it doesn't move a whole lot. Jasmine doesn't move a whole lot. Um, Jasmine's about to go red here, Stuart. Mm. Hey, Zach Moore's finally made us some gains, though, right, guys? Zach Moore is Gary. Finally made us some gains. What, even if it's not much, with the SCRN. So that's nice. BYR coin, Antonis, I'll take a look. What's your position? Let me know what your position is, and I'll take a look. Time is play volatility, Gary. Absolutely. Whales are selling, not buying. Soccer play right now, Stacker. You're still holding? You're still holding it? Oh, okay. No, I took profit on that thing, guys. I wasn't about to go red on a Zach Morris play there. No, thank you. You're up nicely though. You're up 20%. Dang, on your position there. So here comes Bitcoin again, guys. As Bitcoin is selling up there, I want to take a look and see. Do I even want to take a look? Hmm. Maybe I will in a bit. Nah, nah. You bought the Friday. You remember? Dang, yeah. Yeah. Go up like point 20 cents. 20 cents? No, I don't think so. Oh, like to 20 cents? Yes, it did. So at some point, right in the last month, yeah. You just bought a wow, just bought a light 100 inches. Look at this. Noor is ready for destruction, guys. 100 inches. What are you gonna do with that, Noor? Wow. I'm talking over Jasmine, no doubt. Flex and network over information. Okay, there you go. Happy folks. Amp over Jasmine, guys. Amp is headed to 100 MA. 31, Mike. Again, when you take a look at Bitcoin, guys, it's signaling that we're going lower, right? So for now, that's all we and if that breaks, La is sitting at 19. Wow, a ton of room to drop further. Yeah, so light Stewart. No, Bitcoin is signaling that it wants to push lower here, Mike. So Again, our next level of support is sitting at 31, 37.5, right? And then you're looking for 35. So again, instead of looking for all those massive drop levels, right, we're looking for these support levels. When we get there, what are we doing? Are we holding, or are we breaking below? If we do break below, like we broke below $40,000, then you're looking for a brand new level lower, right? So we want to take this step by step. Right? Let me take a look at. La, la, la. Reminder, guys, if you haven't smashed the like yet, take a second and smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, right? Smash the like, hit that subscribe. And if you want to come join us in Discord, come join us. Come join the community, guys. Here's the link to come join us, right? So become a member and come join us in Discord, guys. So the link is gonna show up there in the chat. And all in the room, nice to connect. The storms will pass, but be careful. This is the time to buy alongs. But nah, trading will be for the next tolerance, Gary. Absolutely, Gary. Thank you very much. Um, happy when you sell it. Nah, 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 nah. Yo, James. Hello, hello, hello. Best community. Let's go, guys. So come join us in Discord if you don't wanna if you don't wanna sleep alone tonight. And I'm sure we're gonna be in the crypto channel, guys. If Bitcoin continues to crash when the stream is over, I'm sure we're gonna hang out in there in community TTT. Yeah. I'm thinking this is the last Bitcoin crash into the 30s. My prediction is 150K and if Q4 end of the year. Okay. Yeah, there are a lot of people looking for $80,000, 75K into end of the year, right? So, which is again a lot better than we're sitting at now. So that's perfect. So, uh, on TradingView, how do you enable after hours on TradingView? Let me see here. Did you get a question answered already, Big Kappa? After hour price on stock. La la la. Okay, there you go. Thank you, thank you. We'll live stream him sleeping for us. 150. No, you know we're gonna get there. Well, maybe not. But 150. Oh yeah, we've just been stuck at this level, honestly, right? Just stuck here for the last hour, like not doing a whole lot, just stuck. Um, which in itself is a warning sign. So, um, just want to see what happens next here, guys. I want to see either a pump or a dump here, right? So I just want to see before we take a break and call it a night, right? I want to see what happens here. Do we crash or do we pump here? That's the question, right? So Bitcoin, decide already, please. Decide already here. I've been hearing the last for a long time, virus. Yep. La, la, la. La, la, la. Uh, la, 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 la. La, la. Will you sing us the Soft Kitty song before beds? Soft Kitty, um, little ball of fur. So how it goes? From Sheldon. Let's pump this. You ready for the helicopter? To helicopter the gains? Yeah. So it's about to pricing. Yeah, Scotty, absolutely not. Yeah. Let's take a look at Twitter again here, guys, one more time. Right. So see what's happening here when Bitcoin was never get back to these levels. You may start now, starting the truck. Welcome to Walmart. That's funny. Um, I'll buy more Bitcoin. Yeah. Let's let's see here. Oh yeah, the glitching is what I'm. Thanks. Absolutely happy Fox. Thank you for being here. So thank you. That's funny, Beth. When the crypto market is dumping, but you refuse to sell anything. Oh wow, yep. I mean, does anyone sell anything in crypto for a loss, guys? Does anybody sell anything in crypto for a loss? You just keep holding. Like crypto is the one place where you're, if you have the right project, you're just a diamond hand. Just a diamond hand, guys. So crypto, who's this? Paul? Okay, I'm not sure who Paul is. Draw random lines on charts. Quote your favorite YouTuber that provides updates on his drive to the donut shop. Use cliches like hodl, buy the dip, crypto crash. That's crypto, guys. Um, leave crypto alone, please and thanks, dang. Oh no, they're not gonna do that. Last leg or support broken. Hello, mom. Yeah, is my old room still available? Um, um, Unbelievable. I would sell for a loss if I wanted to move into something running. Exact Noir, yeah. My dinner after Bitcoin crash is an egg. Look at this, guys. My dinner after Bitcoin crash, guys, is an egg. One egg, guys. That's your dinner. I mean, that seems like luxury. I don't even understand the word sell for another 10 years. It's all or nothing. Pete, honestly, when it comes to crypto, guys, for me, it's all or nothing. There's no such thing as selling. Either you give me some nice gains or nothing. Um, can I check what BBIG is doing? No, not tonight. Tomorrow or in Discord. Um, incoming maintenance at every incoming maintenance at every crypto exchange in three, two, one. Hashtag crypto crash, guys. Egg faster all or all. Yep. La, 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 la. E60, yeah. La, la. Crypto's down. Well, crypto crash, guys. You guys remember this GIF here? Everything's okay, right? The building is on fire, but it's okay, guys. It's okay. I'm a crypto cowboy now. A crypto cowboy. We've seen this one already as well, right? That's pretty funny. That's the crypto crash. It's crashing below the computer under the desk. And just going. January 2030, me head into shop to buy some chips. Don't forget to buy the dip. Buy the dip. Straight trying to a happy fox. Yeah, I know. I know. We talked about that a little bit yesterday or 2 days ago. That's your laptop, Scotty. Yep. You're fine. Everything's fine, Beth. Everything's fine, guys. Uh, what else? Can we go? Can we? Can't we go 2 days without one? Um, um, some of these memes are funny, like really funny. And Bitcoin isn't doing anything, guys. So nothing at all. We're just waiting for that next move here before we hop off, right? Um, Bitcoin is up what 1%? Yeah. What else on Twitter? For midnight, 11. Um, dang. Ready for the AMC pump? Why is everyone saying this, though? I love them. Nah. Why is everyone saying this? People keep never selling, guys. People keep saying crypto selling up because of AMC. AMC is again getting ready for the AMC pump. I mean, the AMC pump might happen in the next month or two, right? Jan February. But I don't know if that has anything to do with Bitcoin though. Yeah. Selling selling belt buckles for for Dogecoin. Elon selling belt buckles, guys, for Dogecoin. Unbelievable. And, the best show. Jasmine about to break important resistance. Crypto for surfer. Jaspi, guys. And again, look at Bitcoin, guys. We're failing at the same level. Like it's over and over. It's constant, right? We keep failing on this level here. So again, what we want to see is what happens here, or do we pump up this level, right? So that's what we're waiting for. We found resistance. This thing looks like it wants to go lower, right? Uh, but now we're just waiting a little bit here. So let's see where we are in the next. Where's your damn triple bottom? It's coming, Noir. It's coming. Or there you go. Let's take a look at this. Look at that, guys. I bought the dip, right? The actual dip, the dip of the dip, right? The dip of the dipidity, dip. There you go. Um, there you go, guys. Those are the dips. We're tired of buying the dips. You know, we bought the dip and the actual dip and the dip of the dip. Only 18 hours to close. Only 18 hours, Crystal. Yeah, let's see what we are in the next 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes. See, Bitcoin is actually breaking anything, right? So it always, if it's just gonna sit flat here. Crowcoin 5 on the big screen. Happy folks. You bought the dip and broke your hip. Let's go. The keyboard, Gary. And Pastor Scott is leaving the sermon, leading the sermon. Yeah, always. It for months I needed Bitcoin at 37 for AMC squeeze. Not sure what the correlation has to do with liquidation. AMC crypto on Twitter. It's all over the place. Yeah, I don't know what. Again, I don't know why that's a thing, Andrew. I have no idea. Um, don't know why crypto would have to crash for Bitcoin to for AMC to pump. 37 it is. Honestly, whatever it takes for AMC to pump, even if we just go to 37, right? We, just pump AMC and then come back and pump Bitcoin. So if it dips to zero, it's over, guys. um, 1 week before. Look at that, though. Look at that. So crypto crash, right? Exactly 1 week before the 28th AMC GME anniversary. The 28th, guys. Next Friday, right? Interesting. Again, I'm not sure what you know. Um, I feel like Twitter just finds dates though, right? If they find dates and they run with it. This one doesn't work. We're waiting for the next one. That's why the AMC army is so strong. Because there's always another date that we're looking forward to. Win-win, right, Crystal? Just put both of them one at a time. Doesn't matter, right? So, um, now let's go back to that application. McDonald's application, guys. As Bitcoin is crashing here, right? Those McDonald's applications are getting look at that. Here we go again. Hashtag crypto crash. Back to McDonald's, guys. Application. Yep. Coincidence, Jess? You think not? Um, are not synchronized. What do you think they are? They are sisters, sister wives. I have no idea, Noah. That's funny. Need to plug in my computer here. Market cap and plus metaverse play for Gala. Yeah, Gala's no, Gala's so when it comes to metaverse, I think the two names ahead of that, right? Happy Fox. Um, yeah. What's this here? Kevin. Let's sleep or rest, Kevin. What's sleep for? We sleep on what debts. Or when crypto pumps, guys. When crypto was our stonks out, we will get a squeeze, right? Then we'll rest. For now, Kevin, looking for a recovery candle for Bitcoin. Twitter is pretty funny. What's two names? Anyone? No, Twitter is funny when it these memes funny. Looking for the recovery candle. Um, yeah, sneaker washing business. No need to take them off. Terrence. Okay. Actually doing it, or you're just sneakers? It's too late for big gains. They're happy, folks. I don't know if that's true though. I don't know if it's true. I mean, the metaverse is just starting. Right. So they might be extended, but with these dips, you might have some nice opportunities for sand and for sand and mana. Will Mindy call you to wake you up at 5 a.m. at BBIG squeeze? Yeah, she called me at 3 a.m. or whatever. 3 a.m. guys. She's like, BBIG, BBIG squeezing. BBIG not squeezing. BBIG is moving. BBIG, wake up, wake up. 3 a.m. guys, unbelievable. Uh, unbelievable. Look at this rubbish. BTC, just in case some of you need a job after this. Look at the caption, guys. Um, just in case some of you need a job after this. That's pretty funny. You need that virus? Um, oh man, that's funny. You got a wake virus. I mean, Bitcoin crashing, guys. We're gonna need things. We're gonna need to do things. Um, whatever it is. That's funny. Um, the zoom up, yep. Uh, two, two just became two. Um, this is business you can sleep when you're dead, like the rest of us, Crystal, right? Oh man, that's what it says. Big up. I think that's what it says. No need to zoom in. Fast track. Um, unbelievable. Not accepting. Oh wow. Um, uh, no. um, is that the Titanic guys? Bitcoin and Ethereum are still holding. When the crypto market crashes, Twitter gets really funny. Um, when crypto crashes, Twitter is funny. Um, like people really have fun with it. People have fun with the crypto crashes because you expect these things to come back up, right? You're buying the dip, expecting them to come back up. When the stock market crashes, though, it's panic. Like it's panic. It's different. Crypto's a lot more fun. What else? Oh man, that's funny thing. That's below 40K. Why both could struggle near term? Okay, cool. What we're looking at that, guys, again. So Bitcoin is trying to get back about $39,000 here. It's not doing a whole lot. It's trying. So let's see what we are in the next 10 minutes, guys, and then we can take a break and come back tomorrow morning, right? And then yeah, then go from there. Looks like the Crow Stadium sinking. Unbelievable. Um, unbelievable. Dustin says I'm back. Had to tune into my conspiracy tin has show. Okay, sounds good. There's just been a whole lot of laughs as people panic about the crypto drop, right? So there you go. No, we've honestly, as much as we're losing, right, with these drops, we've had some fun. We've had some fun. Rest logo on the chart. Yep, that's what it is. Dustin. WWE guys. Oh yeah, there you go. WWE wrestling logo. No, it's just a double bottom, double top that we're looking at, right? So again, some support here. Bitcoin sold off all the way to 38.3, right? So double bottom at that level, and it's trying to clear this range here. So we need to clear that, and then potentially go for a run back to $40,000 there. So again, do I think the drop is over, guys? Don't think so. Right? Don't think the drop is over. It doesn't look like it according to those charts. But if we can get back above 39 and $40,000 here, then that's a really good sign. So in the next 18 hours or so, right? Bitcoin is going to need to get back above that $40,000 level. If not, then yeah, it's looking shaky. Good times, good times. Crystal, yeah, some good laughs. Are we in a bear market now, Adnan? It's looking that way. But I'd be paying attention to the next daily candle, right? If we fell below $40,000 here, right, and then potentially yes, we're in a bear market, right? So, but this candle here in the next 18 hours really important. Not sleeping till Bitcoin goes back above 60K turrets. Well, you're gonna be up for a long time, potentially till March. You're gonna, yeah. What's that? What's that caption, anyways? Meet you all on the other side as Bitcoin is sinking. Oh man. Um, too bad the computer's glitching there a little bit. So those videos are not yeah. Loading up the bags at the bottom. Trending bear for 3 months. Chart don't lie. Happy Fox. Um, yeah, I can see that. Bitcoin is where? um, OnlyFans gonna have an increase in revenue for sure. Yeah, guys, we're about to move on to OnlyFans virus. OnlyFans. Crypto isn't doing it. The stock market isn't doing it. Right? We need something else that doesn't rely on um yeah. uh, nah. Yo, trying to pick up for OnlyFans. You're about to start an OnlyFans channel. We're gonna join you. We're gonna join you. Kev says 100% market manipulation. What's that? SafeMoon? Wait, what is this? Is that a SafeMoon conference or something? Okay, interesting. No, no, no. 100% manipulation. Let me take a look at the daily chart for Bitcoin here again one more time, guys. Um, so again, Bitcoin, right? We sold up below $40,000 here, right? So broke below 40. So the fact that you can sell off like this, guys, right? Sell off like this. So when you sell off, these candles are huge, right? But when you try and pump, it's a small pump, right? So again, what that's telling you is again, people are clearly selling. Well, again, that's obvious, right? But it's not enough dip buying going on, right? So again, the recovery, it's not ready to recover. When you sell off like this hard and you try and recover and it's not as strong, right? That sends you a clear message there, right? Again, look at these sell-offs, right? Huge dumps, huge dumps, but the recovery isn't quite there, right? So again, seems like we're not over. Seems like the dip isn't over, guys. So if you're looking to for positions here in crypto in general, I'd be scaling in slowly. Nothing huge, right? Scaling slowly because these green candles are not quite doing it, right? When we sell off, it's huge, right? People clearly panicking here. This recovery, no one's confident, right? No one's confident at all. So in terms of like what you're looking for, the bigger picture, if we can get back about $40,000 in the next 24 hours, right? That's a good sign, right? On the daily candle. So let me take a look at the daily here, guys. So daily, right? Let's take a look at this here. So we know that support at $40,000 is really important, right? Really important, guys. We bounced up $40,000 quite a bit now. So again, you go back here to September, right? End of September, $40,000 over and over and over, right? So you come back over here to so January the 10th here, $40,000, nice bounce, right? So this candle here, guys, has about another 18 hours, almost 19 hours, right? So if this candle here pushes back about $40,000 in the next 19 hours, that's a really good sign, right? Why? Because even though we're breaking below that support, we're still closing above, and that's all that matters, right? But if we close below this, yeah, that's a warning sign. Why? Because now you're looking for brand new level. What's the new level, guys? 37.5. What's below that? $35,000, right? What's below that? The most reliable level of support we've had in a long time, right? Again, which is $30,000, right? Again, $30,000. This level has been holding for about a year now, right? So potentially what you'd be looking for, right? So those are your levels to watch. Again, in the next 19 hours here, if we can reclaim $40,000 and close above that, that's a good sign. If not, you're not looking for. If we close below that level, yeah, you're looking for a bigger sell-off, right? So and that it doesn't matter what you're holding, right? So if you're holding Crow, you're holding Shiba, you're holding Doge, XRP, right? If Bitcoin continues to sell off here, all of those names are gonna follow as well. So that's the only thing I'm really paying attention to for now. Again, Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin here. So for this recovery. Na, na, na. And those lines disappeared. No, they're still there. Just not doing a whole lot, guys. Right? It's going sideways. UFC is carnage. What's below 30? Is it 33? I think there's a level. Like I think there are multiple levels there, Dustin. Right? But I'm mostly paying attention to that $30,000 level there. So, $30,000, guys. But again, we have levels to watch, right? Before we get to $30,000. So is 50K is a resistance from January. I mean 40K is going to become resistance now, right? So we've already seen that today. As soon as we broke below for like $40,000 here, we tried to reclaim that level and it was an issue, right? So all the way over here, right? So again, we broke below 40K. As soon as we failed at that level, guys, that was a huge warning sign, right? So and then sold off immediately. So $40,000 is going to be a level to watch. You can see here, right, that we're forming levels of resistance already, new levels of resistance here as we're trying to recover. So 39 is going to be another level here to watch, right? We're feeling at that level already now. So Koval, dang, pumping coming, recovery. I'll take a look. Yeah. It's buy time, Dustin. There you go. Right. So yeah, again, dollar cost average, guys. Slowly scale in. If you're looking to buy the dips, slowly scale in. Don't rush all in at once. With all week. Damn. There you go, guys. Again, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, in the next 3 minutes here. So if you haven't smashed the like yet, take a second to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, right? And if you want to come join us in Discord, so we can cry together. And with these crypto losses for now, here's the link. Come join us in Discord, guys. Right? 42K, Fox, happy Fox, yeah. 42K, 40K, and then below, right? So here we go again. Are we about to sell off again now? Come on, Bitcoin. Hi, my name is Bitcoin. Can I crash your place tonight? Yes, Bitcoin, you can crash my place tonight. Look how it's gonna be. It's gonna dip tomorrow. Yeah, Mara. All these names are gonna struggle, honestly, Gary. Mara, Riot. It's gonna create some nice opportunities, though, right? So, no. Let's go, Stuart. Let's go, Virus. Come on. Smashing. Now, thanks. You're out. Happy folks. Have a wonderful night. You go. There you go. Absolutely. I'm glad we can have. I'm glad we have a community, guys, where we can. We're having a. Uh, I'm glad we have a community, right? So obviously we're losing some. Losing some monies here, right? But we can come on and have some laughs, right? So we can come on and have some laughs. You know what, guys? Before you guys leave, let's watch this video one more time, right? So let's watch this video one more time, guys. Let me see if I can find it here. I don't know if community's charting. There you go. Let's watch this video one more time. La- let's see. Mm-mm. Watch this one more time here. Before we call the night. Which one is it? It is. Pause it and then pause my music, right? So there you go. One more time, guys. Let's have some laughs. So again, with this video, right? With this video, imagine the dad is you, right? And imagine the son is Bitcoin, and you're asking Bitcoin to bring your money back, right? So Bitcoin, if you do not bring back my money, I will roast you like a goat, right? This is my sweat, right? So again, one more time, guys. Here we go.
If you do not bring back my money tomorrow, I will roast you like a goat. I mean it.
Unless you want to take the money alone.
Dada, why? Why, Dada, why?
This is a business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Shut up! Shut up!
This is business.
Hey.
I invested the money.
Stop! I will kill you.
Sorry.
Dada, why?
Business.
That why? Business. This is business, guys. Bitcoin. Can you bring back my money, please? Bitcoin's like, nope. This is business. um, exactly right, Crystal. But gaining fams, it's business, Gary. It's business. Kills you every time, Stuart. It does. It's funny every time. I will roast you like a goat noir. If you don't bring back my money, Bitcoin, I will roast you like a goat. Dustin, I don't know. Next up for Bitcoin Rush. Um, I hope it's not below $30,000, right? So where are we at? Yep. So we're about to leave it at 38.8 guys. Is what we're sitting at for now. Hashtag business. Love it so much, Beth. It's funny every time. Like it's every time. Buy any. Let's see here when you try. Nah. Wow. Okay, I'll take a look. Um, there you go. Release the moose and the goose, the moose and the goose. It's a Hot Trades classic. Yeah, we haven't we're not in trouble yet for that. Hopefully we're not in the future. Um, there's another video actually. Let me see if I can find it, guys. There's another video. Let me see here. I don't know if this one's gonna be as funny, guys. I don't know if this one you guys are gonna understand this one. La la la. Yeah, we might just watch this one later. I don't think it's gonna be funny. You guys might not understand it. That's why. Yeah, give it to us. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think this one's gonna be funny. I don't think you guys gonna understand like the pigeon, the language. So it might not be funny. uh, soft kitty, soft kitty, happy kitty. La la la. Don't sound bad, virus. Yeah. The play button is a triangle What is it, Dustin? Can you explain it? Okay, so this one is I'm asleep. So this video, let me see here.
Any money.
It's not a long video. Um, Let me see if I can pull it up here. Um, it's a different. It's like the language is
Any money.
so it's in the like it's pigeon, like it's like it's an African language, but like it's pigeon in the sense that like the words are just rearranged, guys. Right, the words are just rearranged, but it's all English words, right? That's what pigeon is. um It's so he's basically saying like any money where I get, right? He's saying any money that I have, right? Any money where I get, right? Any money that I have is for enjoyment. Right? This is when like you lose all your money in Bitcoin, you're like, okay, anything else that I have now is enjoyment, right? He's saying don't worry about my future, forget about retirement saving, forget about everything else. Everything that I have now, since I lost everything already, I'm just gonna enjoy it, right? So let's let me play this.
Any money where I get like this, any little change, now enjoyment. No worry about my future. My future no dey go anywhere. I go dey think about my future next year. Any little money or little change, now enjoyment, now gbadun, na flenjo.
There you go, guys. um, what's up? Let's go, Dimitri. Hey yo, what's up, break? In the business, let's go, break. Come on. So, any little change, guys. Don't worry about my future. I'll take care of my future next year. Um, what's with the echo? It's because I forgot to mute myself. Um, so local Alan, as a pigeon as well. You do, Scotty? Wow, interesting. There you go. The echo ruined it. It did, really. Okay, let me mute myself and play it one more time, guys. One more time.
Any money where I get like this, any little change, now enjoyment. No worry about my future. My future no dey go anywhere. I go dey think about my future next year. Any little money or little change, na enjoyment, na gbadun, na flenjo.
Hopefully that was a little bit clearer. Here you go, Noor. Doesn't make any sense at all. Holding still, it's tanking. What do you mean, Dimitri? Like crypto, or what are we holding? What do you mean? What's tanking? 388, guys. Bitcoin. Much better. Okay, so much better. Okay, there you go. So let me activate Google Translate. He says, "Don't worry about my future, guys. My future isn't going anywhere. I'll take up my future next year. Any money I have now, it's only for enjoyment. Audio quality much better. The content merits." Alrighty, guys, let's call it a night. Thank you guys very much for the support. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and have a wonderful night, guys. We see you guys tomorrow morning. Stuart, have a wonderful night. Dustin, good night. Dimitri, have a good night. Virus, peace. Beth, have a good night. Scotty, have a good night. Andrew, have a good night. Come join us in Discord. Bullfroggin, thanks for. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Bullfroggin. Noir, go to bed. Um, um, Gary, Crystal, good night, guys. Dang. See you for BBIG Hope. As says bye bye bye. As in bye bye bye. There you go. Fast, good night. TC, good night and good luck. Um, Andrew, again, good night. Alrighty, guys. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.